Magandang gabi Pilipinas! Hello world! Diyos marhay na banggi mga kasurog. Ito po ang inyong inaabang-abangan na Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Tour. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa! Happy Fiesta! Dito sa Goa, nako ang daming pagkain. Busog na busog ang aking kapartner dito. Ang daming kinaing igado at saka tahada.
Pero partner,
Ipasa sa bagay-bagay. Pasadahan muna natin ang lagi nilang kartada sa recently concluded o katatapos pa lang na bigatin quarterfinals na kung saan ang sa bracket B or A, ang nanguna ay ang Team Naga na merong kartadang 4 wins and 0 loss. Sinundan naman niya ng Sangay na mga kalaban nila ngayon na merong 3 panalo at 1 talo. Sa bracket B naman partner, Kamaligan ang nanguna, merong 4 na panalo at walang talo. At ito yung mga kalaban ngayon ng Sangay. Ang Goa, mga kalaban mamaya ang Naga, merong kartadang 3 wins and 1 loss.
Yun na nga partner, pakaabangan natin ang laro ngayong gabi dahil exciting ang mga larong ito.
Tama.
Siyempre partner, Kamaligan being the top 1 seed sa bracket B and Team Sangay is the top 2 seed sa bracket A. Kaya ang ating top 1 which is Team Kamaligan ay twice to beat, so dapat talo.
Sangay needs to beat them twice para sila ang isa sa dalawang teams na makapasok sa ating first Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Tour Finals. So generally speaking, para makasabay ang kupunan nitong si Coach Enrique Pilapil sa Team Sangay ay they need to double their gains, and to make this happen, they need to triple their effort. Nasa tingin ko ay a very daunting task for him and the team to achieve. Pero kung talagang naka-ready sila for this tall order, meaning they purposely scouted Team Kamaligan, they came up with the best strategy that they can rely on to make an upset, and they stick to it kahit na magkaroon ng mga adjustments sa loob ng laro. I think they will have a brighter chance of beating this strong team. You know, partner, preparation is the key. Full determination is essential. And the mentality for Team Sangay should be like this. Ginusto nating makapasok dito sa Quadro Magnifico semifinals. Dahil nandito na tayo, dapat mas gustuhin na nating makapasok pa sa finals. Well, this is truly a bitter cup for Sangay, but there is no other way but to drink it for them to force a game 2 and have a bigger chance.
Yes partner, napakagandang analysis and syempre napakagandang obserbasyon ng partner. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa ating laro, puntahan naman natin ang ating third member of the panel na si Miss Cassandra para kapanayamin ang kanilang kasurog matchup. Sa Cassandra, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog. This is Cassandra Saton, your courtside reporter here in Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Tour. For our first game tonight, makakasama natin ang Team Sangay and Team Kamaligan at magkakaroon din tayo ng chance na makausap ang dalawang kasurog player for each teams. Kumustahin muna natin sila bago magsimula ang laro. Let's start first with the Team Sangay. We have the Heartstopper, Eugene Malyapre, at sunod naman ay from Team Kamaligan, we have the Pinoy Mamba, Kobe Bryant Pableo. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyong dalawa. I know that tonight is not just an ordinary game day for the both of you as well as for the rest of the team. Knowing na nasa semi-finals na tayo, ano bang pakiramdam nyo as of the moment? Mas nangingibabaw ba yung kaba o mas nangingibabaw yung saya at pasasalamat na nakarating kayo sa semi-finals?
Siyempre po, masaya ma'am kasi at least di namin na-expect na makapasok kami sa semi-finals. Pero at the same time, may pressure po ngayong Final Four na.
Ayan, how about you, Kobe? Ano bang pakiramdam mo as of the moment?
Ngayon, kinakabahan ako kasi baka hindi ko naman mapakita yung best ko. Pero bibigay ko yung makakaya ko para sa buong team namin. Yun lang.
Ayan, just like what I've mentioned, nasa semi-finals na tayo. Kaya naman gusto naming malaman kung ano ba yung paghahanda and the changes na ginawa nyo as an individual and as part of the team.
Susundin lang po namin yung pinapagawa ni Coach, yung mga adjustment na ginawa niya para at least mabigay namin yung laro para ngayong araw.
Sa pag-conditioning namin, may kanya-kanya kaming pangangatawan. At kahit wala kaming ensayo, lalabanan namin ng patas. At susundin lang namin yung coach namin.
Ito yung mga nasa listahan natin para sa ating Big 3 match-ups. Alright, for Team Sangay, Napasama dito yung kaka-interview pa lang na si Eugene Malyapre, si Ken Pilapil at itong si Joshua Buelia. Samantalang sa Kamaligan naman, sina Samuel Ignacio, Mark Lester or mas kilala sa pangalang Babap Santa Maria at siyempre kasama dyan si Kobe Bryant Pableo. Well, sa 2-point average ng mga ito, si Eugene Malyapre ng Team Sangay ay merong 59%, samantalang si Ken Pilapil ay merong 51%. At si Joshua Buelia, mataas, meron siyang 73%. Kumpara sa Team Kamaligan with Samuel Dodoy Ignacio, merong 79%. Aba, mataas din ito, no? Si Mark Lester or si Babap Santa Maria, merong makikita natin dito ay medyo mababa, 41%. At si Kobe Bryant Pableo naman, merong 45%. Pero i-shortcut na natin, ano, dahil nakikita naman natin sa ating mga screens yung mga figures na kung saan itong mga figures na ito ay nakalap natin base sa mga previous games nila. So, diretso na tayo dito sa average points nila. No? Si Eugene Malyapre ng Sangay ay mayroong 16.3, si Ken Pilabil mayroong 16.0, 12.5% naman para kay Joshua Buelia, para sa koponan ng Kamaligan, Samuel Ignacio mayroong 17.3, para kay Babap Santa Maria 13.8 and 13.5 naman para kay Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Napaka-exciting ang larong ito. First game pa lang yan, partner. Sigurado pukpukan na yan. At para naman malaman natin ang dalawang kupunan na magtatapat ngayong gabi sa unang laro, ang powerhouse team Kamaligan against the heart and soul ng Team Sangay. At pag-usapan naman natin, partner, ang kanilang stats during sa ating quarterfinals.
Oo, para sa Team Kamaligan, medyo mataas ng konti. Kumpara sa Team Sangay, ang kanilang 2-point average, 61% para sa Kamaligan, samantalang sa Sangay ay meron silang 51%. Sa 3-point average naman, mataas pa rin ang Team Kamaligan with 38% and 21% naman para sa Sangay. And para sa free throw averages, mataas ang Sangay, 62%, 58% para sa Kamaligan, and magandang grabbing of rebounds for Team Kamaligan offensively, meron silang 15.8, samantalang ang Sangay ay merong 11.3. Sa defensive rebounding naman, medyo mataas.
Ang ating quad na natin itong patagalin pa. Ibigay na natin floor sa ating arena announcer, si Sir JV. Sir JV, the floor is yours.
At ay nabanggi, Bicol Lancia. This is your day 45 of the Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Salico at ng ako Bicol Party List. Katawang na kasulumpa. We welcome you everyone inside the Global Sports Complex for our double-header matchups in our Cuatro Magnifico semifinals. For our first game, we will be having Team Sangay versus Team Kamaligan. For the starters, let's first start with Team of Sangay. Our guard number 0, Rex Kelby Lapi. Another guard wearing jersey number 3, Pepe Lumabi. Wearing jersey number 10, forward, Albert Regalario. Forward center, wearing jersey number 17, Eugene Malyapre. And wearing jersey number 13, forward, Jonathan Balion. The head coach for Team Sangay, Mr. Eric Pilapi. And for the starters for Team Kamaligan, we have wearing jersey number 13, center, Samuel Ignacio. Wearing jersey number 24, the Pinoy Mamba, Kobe Bryant Pableo. Guard number 25, Babap Santa Maria. Another guard wearing jersey number 45, Alexis Pina. And another guard number 1, Yunel Barle. The head coach for Team Kamaligan, Mr. Brian Ayo. And officiating officials for this full game, crew chief Jomar Buron. Umpire 1, Edward Paraon. And umpire 2, Tony Maliniza. This is Saco Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
At eto na nga partner, ang pinakahihintay nating semifinals. Live na live dito sa Goa Sports Complex. Ang tapatan ng dalawa sa pinakamagaling na teams dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Ang team ng Sangay at ang powerhouse na Kamaligan.
Yes, partner, magandang gabi sa iyo and magandang gabi sa lahat ng ating milyong nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. At syempre, dito, labanang Kamaligan versus Sangay, partner.
Nagpakilala kaagad itong bagong acquisition ng team Sangay na si Jonathan Balyon with that 3-pointer.
Yes, partner, and another steal. And a strong start on the part of Sangay.
Yes.
5-0 run on the part of Sangay.
Tama yung ginagawa ng Sangay. As early as now, dapat makauna sila na to draw the blood for this ball game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yun na nga, Eugene Malyapre spins against Pableo. Spin move. Sidestep, misses the shot. Kobe grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Himan. Outlets to Ignacio. Ignacio attacks against Balyon. Misses the shot. And another offensive rebound. But there is Ken Pilapil to save the ball. Gives the ball to Balyon.
Open look ang meron doon si Dodoy Ignacio and he took 2 shots pero yung pangatlo sabi niya mukhang hindi na confident kaya ipinasa niya na sa kakampi. Yun nga lang, nahirapan din.
Medyo malamig pa si Ignacio. Yan na si Pilapil attacking using the glass for 2. Yan ang partner.
And that's a nice shot mula kay Ken Pilapil. Parang natulala doon ang depensa.
Yes, partner. It's a 7-0 run on the part of Sangay. Talagang nagulat ang ating Kamaligan because talagang umamana kaagad ang Sangay. Ayan na.
Samantalang ang Team Kamaligan ay nahihirapan na makuha ang kanilang kauna-unahang score dito sa labang ito. And it's almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. 8 minutes and 19 seconds.
Yes, partner. Yan si Barde inbounding the ball. Gives it up to Ignacio for 3. Using the glass, but adjusted those early timeouts of Kamaligan. Especially I've known Coach Brian na he is a good tactician. So alam niya kung anong pwede niyang gawin para makapuntos o makascore o makalapit sa Team Sangay.
They have to adjust dahil malaking talagang dapat na adjustment now that Jonathan Bailon is with Team Sangay. Itong Jonathan Bailon ay Balyon ay isang pro basketball player.
Yes, he currently plays at Manila Stars ata in one league in Manila. So ayan na, si Kobe, one of veterans din. But a turnover again, but there is Ben Elabi Lumabi. Malyapre drops it up to Lumabi, but there is Babap to block the shot.
Si Ben could have passed it to Balyon or even Eugene Malyapre para mas magkaroon ng mas high percentage shot, pero he forced the issue and pinakita lang din naman ni Fiben Lumabi how courageous he is, and courage is needed for Team Sangay to win this ball game.
Yes, partner, kita mo naman, partner, kung titingnan mo talaga ang ating crowd. This is just the first game, partner. Wala pa dito ang home team na Goa, so what more mamaya. So expect a wild much fun crowd mamaya sa ating second game. Lalo-lalo na din sa first game natin.
Alam mo, partner, nire-relax ko lang ang sarili ko. Hindi ko masyadong pinapatulan yung excitement na nararamdaman ko.
Yan na nga, partner. And partner, talaga, fiesta pa dito sa Goa. So talagang it is a good...
Double celebration. Kung
Yes,
halimbawa man mamaya manalo yung Goa.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, this is a good gesture para sa mga taga-Goa to support their players. Kaya tingnan natin mamaya. Ayan na si Lumabi attacking the defense of si police
Barde.
officer na si Barde.
And Barde was fouled. Anyway, yan. Kasama niyo po, Kapa Morgan and Wadi John Bachelier at your service po ngayong gabi. Unang match up pa lang po natin dito sa ating doubleheader as we start our Quadro Magnifico semifinals. Ito pa lang po yung tinatawag kong appetizer para sa ating finals.
Oo, tama. Ayan na si Babap. Gives the ball to Himan. Attacks. Misses the shot. Lumabi.
Hindi pa rin nakakapuntos ang mga
3 against 1. Balyon with a sidestep. And
nice move! Napaka-advantage yung tirang yon with Babap Santa Maria defending Jonathan. They need to score now.
Ayan na, Babap. Pilapil, 3 against 1. Using the body. But misses. But there is Regalario to put back and scores for 2. Grabe partner. Yun ang sinasabi ng mga coaches. Even if nauna ng isang player, lalo na sa offensive side, talagang kailangan mo mag-trail. Kaya gano'n nagbintis,
Tama,
nakakuha. Ayan na si Baba with a long 3. Misses the shot.
Wala pa rin.
And,
And it's almost 4 minutes gone by. Hindi pa rin po nakakaskor ang Kamaligan kontra sa 13 point ng Sangay.
Grabe partner. Kamaligan is struggling a bit dito sa ating laro. So tingnan natin kung ano ang naging adjustments. Meron ng early substitution on the part of Kamaligan. Si Pableo linabas at si Balde pinasok. Si Joshua Ayo and si Aquino.
Yan yung mga adjustments na binigay ngayon ni Coach Brian Ayo para sa kanyang kupunan.
Yan na si Pilapil. Give and go. Gives the ball to Balon. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Pilapil is attacking. Gives the ball to Balon again. Another 3. Misses the shot.
And
Grabe partner yung bakbakan ng Eugene Malyapre at Samuel Ignacio sa ating first quarter pa lang partner, bukbugan na kagad sila.
At first quarter pa lang, early goings pa lang ng ating ball game, meron na tayong 2.5 live viewers sa ating Facebook page.
Grabe naman yun partner. 2,500 pa lang, first quarter pa lang tayo. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating liga. Ayan na si Babak, may pick galing kay Ignacio Santa Maria using the body but misses the shot. Heman.
And finally,
Scores the first bucket of Kamaligan courtesy of Heman, and that shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis.
finally, there goes the kasurog player of the game sa kanilang last outing o last game sa quarterfinals na si Alexis Heman kontra sa powerhouse din na Team Iriga.
And as Heman gives the ball to Baba for 3. Come
And
on!
there you go!
And yun na nga parang sinasabi ko.
Ganun kabilis.
Yun na nga sabi ko, don't count this team out talaga. Kasi they are very, and that shot is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. Mabalik ako doon. This team is a very talented, kumbaga, full force when it comes to offense talaga. Sabi nga natin sa ating pregame kung paano didepensahan at paano mag-a-adjust si Coach Pilapil sa kabila. So talagang in any given night talaga, this Kamaligan squad can shoot the lights out.
And they are one of those very resilient teams dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Dahil na-prove nila yan sa tapatan nila, yung dikdikang laban nila with Iriga sa last game ng kanilang bigaten quarterfinals kung saan nakakalamang din doon yung Iriga pero bumawi ang Team Kamaligan sa heroics ni tong si Babap Santa Maria, drilling those 2 3-pointers at doon sa mga last 2 minutes of the ball game.
Yes, partner. Kaya naman talaga pakaabangan natin ang larong ito kasi alam naman natin this Sangay squad is up and coming and syempre ang very steady high scoring team na Kamaligan.
Pero maganda na nakakauna ngayon ng Sangay dahil alam naman natin, yun na nga, sinasabi natin kanina na ang Kamaligan ay merong kapabilidad na humabol sa mga larong ganito.
Yes, partner. Meron tayong nakita ko partner ay good matchup. Wawa Ayo against Febend Lumabi. Ayan na si Babap. Stop for 3. No good. Rebound by Heman. Heman attacks. Gives the ball to Wawa Ayo. Wawa drops it up to Heman. But there is Bob. Oh! Emergency pass. But Ignacio misses the shot.
Medyo na-intimidate doon si Babap Santa Maria with the presence of Jonathan Bailon in the middle. Kaya naisipan niya all of a sudden na i-drop yung bola para kay Dodo Ignacio. And Dodo Ignacio was a bit surprised with that kind of play by Santa Maria.
Good defense display on the part of Balyon. Just raising his hand in order, I guess, para i-disrupt lang naman yung tira.
Tama.
For sure. Kaya talagang, yun na nga partner, hindi talaga, naging maganda yung kanilang depensa kanina.
Pero sabi siguro ni Babap Santa Maria, nasa 6'4 ito, 6'5 nagmamahal. Kaya mahirap tirahan ito. Kaya ibibigay ko na lang sa medyo mas malaking mama na si Dodoy Ignacio.
Ayan na nga si Buela, misses the shot, but there is again Ignacio grabbing the rebound.
Medyo lumamig ngayon yung team ng Sangay.
Yes, yan na si Babak, misses the shot. But there is Eugene to grab the defensive rebound. Ayan na si Lumabi looking for his teammates. 1-on-1 against Wawa Ayo, humihingi ng pick si Lumabi. Ayan na nga Eugene Malyapre gives the pick Lumabi attacks, drops it up to Regalario. Using the body, misses the shot. Nakuha ni Wawa Ayo ang bola.
And ito lang, tumatakbo na naman ang mga taga Kamaligan.
Sayang na partner pasa. But there, ayan na si Lumabi all alone and flies and scores for 2.
So nakakadalawa ng fast break opportunities itong team Sangay.
Joshua Ayo.
And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Ayun na nga partner.
Samantalang ang Kamaligan nakakadalawang 3-pointers na. One with Babak Santa Maria. Samantalang ang Sangay ay nakakaisa pa lang sa opening shot ni itong bagong acquisition, bagong acquired player na si Jonathan Balyon.
Yes, yung partner, napaaga ata ang coaching staff ng Team Naga Casireños dito sa ating
Oo,
venue.
nandito na.
Siguro talagang pinaghahandaan nila yung fiesta dito sa Goa. And magandang gabi sa inyo mga bossing, mga coaches.
Mamantika pa yung kanilang mga labi.
And yun na nga, the score is 8-15. Lamang pa rin ang Sangay. But Joshua Ayo misses the shot. Lumabi against Wawa Ayo, gives the ball to Eugene. Eugene drops it up sa ating medics. So another turnover. But it was deflected by a violet shirt. So ang bola mananatili sa Sangay.
Oo, last touch ng mga naka-violet kaya it will be Sangay's ball in this possession. They have 18 seconds to shoot sa possession na ito.
We have a substitution on the part of Kamaligan. Linabas si Himan, pinasok si Barde. Ayan na si Lumabi. Open for 3. Misses the shot. There is Dodoy Ignacio grabbing the defensive rebound.
Medyo force yung tirang yon ni Fiben Lumabi, but he can do it but not that time.
Ayan na si Wawa Ayo again. Kicks it out to Barde. Barde drops it up to Ignacio. Misses the shot. There is Barde grabbing the offensive rebound, but he was hacked.
Merong foul.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Follow number 10 na si Regalario pala, partner.
Oo. Regalario is okay.
Si Aquino pala, partner.
Aquino.
Oh.
Okay.
Ayan na si Aquino, gives the ball to Barde. What a pass. Ayan na Ignacio. Blocked by Eugene, but nahuli ang kamay. So,
Sumabit lang ng konti doon si Eugene Malyapre.
yes, partner, labanan ng mga malalakas sa kanin. Ang nagbabakbaka dito sa ating
Well, itong si Dodo Ignacio is really a threat inside the paint, kaya tama din naman yung ginawa ni Eugene Malyapre na hindi niya hinayaan na makatiran lang ng ganon-ganon ang malaking mama nitong team ng Kamaligan.
pero partner talaga, this Ignacio has a soft touch pagdating sa perimeter and syempre dito sa ating free throw line at sana hindi ko mabati. Yun na nga, pumasok ang kanyang second free throw. Yun na nga, the score is 10-15. Lamang pa rin ng Sangay. Pero partner, yun na nga, unti-unti na. Medyo umaarangkada ang scoring ng
Kamaligan.
So medyo may drought din dito na ang Sangay. Medyo mga 2 minutes na sila hindi nakaka-score sa ating laro. Ayan na si Regalario.
Yung last na tira nila ay yung transition game, transition play with the layup of Fiben Lumabi.
Eugene Malyapre for 3, misses the shot. There is Barde. Yun na, Kamaligan is rushing. Barde attacking Lumabi. Drops it up to Ignacio.
Good play!
And scoring for 2. Grabe.
That's a nice play from Barde to Dodo Ignacio.
Ayun
At tatlo na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Sangay. 15-12 at under 2 minutes sa ating first quarter action ng first game ng ating Quadro Magnifico semifinals dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
Yan na nga, Josh Fabella scoring a layup there. Yan na nga partner, good observation sa Kamaligan on the part of Kamaligan nung pinasok si Barde. Medyo gumanda ang flow ng offense because he is finding his open teammates. Kaya talagang si Ignacio regains his composure sa ilalim kaya nakakascore sila sa ilalim na yun.
And I think Lionel Barde will be doing a lot of point guarding dito sa larong ito because of the effect na ipinapakita niya sa kanyang kupunan.
Yun nga partner, another score galing kay Raymart Aquino talaga. This guy is a known defender but also he can finish. Yan na si Lumabi, kicks it out to Balyon. Ayan na si Balyon attacking. Misses the shot but there is again Eugene Malyapre fakes. Eugene attacks, kicks it out to Balyon for 3.
Wala
No
pa
good.
rin.
Rebound by Eugene. And medyo maalat ang Team Sangay sa ating mga huling minuto. Ayan na.
Ayan, hindi na
Aquino.
control itong si Aquino bola.
Ayan na, Babap attacking against Balyon. With 18 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayan na si Barde. Wasting clock. Looking for his teammates. Binigay kay Ignacio. Ignacio against Eugene Malyapre. What a defense of Eugene, but better offense on the part of Samuel Ignacio. Ayan na, with 2 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Regalario.
At isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Sangay na umarangkada kanina ng halos double digit kontra sa 0 ng Team Kamaligan. And right now, again, it's just a 1-point lead sa pagtatapos ng ating unang yugto dito sa ating first ever semifinals game dito sa Quadro Magnifico ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, yun na nga partner. Sabi ko kanina, yung adjustments na ginawa ni Coach Brian Ario during the first time mo talaga very evident on that part. Nagpalit siya ng tao. So, na-regain nila yung kumpiyansa nila and unti-unti na rin gumanda ang opensa. So, nakahabol sila and lamang na lang ng 1 puntos ang Team Sangay.
Oo, maganda yung naging epekto nitong si Lionel Barde as their point guard. Tama ba si Lionel yun? No? Kasi meron tayong dalawang Barde dito.
Si Marjon.
Marjon
Barde.
Lionel Barde is the policeman, right?
Yes, tama.
So, malaking epekto talaga itong si
Yun partner,
Barde.
nakatatlong point guard si Coach Joshua Brian Ayo kanina. He used his brother Joshua, si
Alexis
Iman and si Lionel Barde nag-point guard din kanina. So talagang yung adjustments nakuha na niya. Yung game plan kaya so nakahabol at gumagawa na ng scoring ang Kamaligan.
And we will see sa pagpasok natin sa ating second quarter if Coach Brian Ayo will stick to that with Barde, Marjon Barde as the man in the point. Pasadahan muna natin partner yung mga scorers natin dito sa ating first quarter. Alright, nanguna sa Sangay ay si Balyon with 5 points at sinundan naman ni Lumabi with 4 points. And para naman po sa Kamaligan, it's Ignacio with 6 points. Meron siyang 3 rebounds. Yun ang so far na i-contribute itong si top scorer natin na si Dodoy Ignacio for Team Kamaligan. Again, isa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Sangay kontra sa Kamaligan at nasa Kamaligan pa rin ang bola.
3-point shot. Display by Babam Santa Maria but misses the shot. At tumama sa paa ni Ken Pilapil ang bola and bola mananitili sa Kamaligan. Grabe partner ang hustle talaga naman si Raymart Aquino. Talaga diving for the loose ball. So 50-50 balls talaga. Kung nasa ng bola nandun siya. So,
dapat kay Ken Pilapil na yung bola yun pero he was distracted by Raymart Aquino.
yes, tama kaya na si Barde. Thinking 3. Babap. Long 3. Misses the shot. But there is Aquino again. Grabbing those offensive rebound but passes to his coach sa labas.
Pinasa niya sa mga bench players nila. Kaya yun, mapupunta ang bola sa mga taga Sangay.
Pero partner, that is a good effort on the part of Raymart Aquino. Talagang di mo matatawaran at mababayaran ang ganong kasipagan. Ayan na si Pilapil. Crossing the half-court line against the much smaller Marjon Barde. Ayan na, Pilapil is attacking. Short jumper. Misses the shot, but there is Wawa Ayo to secure the board.
Grabe na yung mga misses na
What a shot, partner, by Babap Santa Maria. Coast to coast, partner.
That's a spectacular move mula kay Babap Santa Maria. Well, what do we expect from this guy? Talagang bibigyan tayo ng mga ganyang mga tira dito sa ating laban na ito.
Yun na nga, partner. Yun na nga, hindi na nakatakas ngayon si Ken Pilapil on that sequence. Kaya kanina medyo questionable na. Hindi siya natawagan ng offensive foul. But ngayon, nahuli na ng ating mga referees. Natawagan siya ng offensive foul.
Well, that spectacular shot by Babap Santa Maria a while ago makes Kamaligan the leading team now, 18-17.
Yes, this is the first taste of the lead on the part of Kamaligan. Ayan na si Fragoso. Misses the shot. Gives the ball to Wawa Ayo. Kicks it out to Babap against the much taller Buela. Babap with the jump step. 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Babap. With 1 second remaining.
What a shot!
Beating the clock is Babap Santa Maria. That was a cold-blooded 3-point shot
Yes,
Brought you-
indeed! At naka-steal pa siya!
Brought you by Misibis Bay. Aquino
Oh!
with a dipsy-do. And grabe, partner. What a sequence on
At
that play.
jelly layup from the big man, Raymart Aquino.
Ayan na si Buela, misses the shot, but there is Fragoso powering
Nakakadalawa
his
na.
way.
Nakakadalawa ng puntos itong si Raymart Aquino.
Ayan na si Barde. Black, but there is again Aquino. Baba for three. Misses the shot. Fragoso. And he was hammered sa ulo. And
I think Ayan, I think this is going to be the first personal foul for Jonathan Balyon.
grabe, partner, with
Ayan, ang intensity na ng larong ito ay nararamdaman na natin hanggang dito, partner Wad Batchelier. And right now, talagang both teams are making adjustments here, adjustments there, na talaga namang kailangan dahil talagang nag-iiba-iba ang flavor ng bawat mga minuto na nakukonsume natin dito sa ating second quarter action.
yes, a 5-0 run on the part of Kamaligan talaga. What a scoring prowess on the part of Kamaligan kasi talagang once Babab Santa Maria ay nag-init, talagang tuloy-tuloy na. And syempre, yun na nga, dire-diretso ang opensa.
And talagang itong si Babap ay masasabi natin yung spark plug nitong koponahan ng Kamaligan. And sabi ko nga, with his heroics sa nakaraang laban nila sa Iriga, sa last quarterfinal game nila, ay talagang isa din yung bumitbit ng team nila for a big win.
Ayan na, the possession is in Kamaligan side. Babap, tumama ang bola sa paa ng mga naka-white shirts. Yan na si Buela. Outlets to Eugene Balyapre. Eugene against Fragoso. Gives the ball to Balon. Grabe, partner, using his body. And he was hammered and he will troop to the line for two.
Ayan, talagang nakakabentahe when it comes to size itong si Jonathan Balyon. Kahit sino man ang itapat mo sa team ng Kamaligan, I guess the biggest player nila ay itong si Kobe Bryant Pableon na nasa labas ngayon. And yung tumapat kanina kay Balyon ay si Raymart Aquino, which is about siguro mga 3 inches shorter.
Yes, partner, Balyon makes his free throw. Kaya partner, kita mo naman ang upper body ng isang Jonathan Balyon talaga. He can bang bodies inside and out. Kaya pakaabangan natin kung ano pa ang ipapakita ng isang Balyon sa ating larong ito.
At kahit sa ere talaga, the last sequence sa ere talaga siya ginamit niya yung kanyang katawan para makakapag-create pa ng space even in the mid-air kontra Raymart Aquino.
Ayan na si Wawa Ayo with the spin. Gives the ball to Fragoso but loses the ball. Fragoso kicks it out to Wawa Ayo with a step back. Aquino for 3. Misses the shot. Eugene Malyapre grabs, but there is again Barde. Aquino attacking. Drops it up to Barde for
Nice
2.
drop from Aquino to Barde.
Grabe talaga. A quality minutes being displayed by Marjon Barde, both offense and defense.
Yes, indeed. At malaking contribution din talaga itong si Raymart Aquino na medyo mataas yung playing time ngayon kumpara sa nakaraang nilang laro.
Yes, tama kaya. Aquino grabs another rebound. Gives the ball to Barde. Barde slowly crossing the half-court line. Looking for his teammates with 6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Ayan na si Relucio. Relucio attacking. And he was caught dancing in the wrong song. Was called to traveling.
More step than the usual ang na-commit nitong si Kevin Relucio. Lamang na po ang Kamaligan ng 7 puntos, 25-18, 6.44 sa ating relo. Second quarter action.
Yun na, binalik na si Kobe Bryant Pableo. Medyo matagal-tagal nakaupo kasi nga I guess he nursed sa second foul sa ating laro. Yan na si Malyapre attacking. But there is Kobe Bryant Pableo blocking the shot partner and the stare down.
Oo, medyo hirap ngayon si Eugene Malyapre na kumonekta at pumuntos para sa kanyang kupunan. He tried and tried pero wala pa rin, hindi pa, hirap pa ang bawat challenge kasi yung bawat shot na binibitawan niya.
Ayan na si Balyon against Fragoso. Yun na nga, naputukan ng 24-second violation ang Sangay and another turnover.
Jonathan Balyon recognizes the clock pero hindi lang siya talaga umabot.
Yes, partner, medyo nanlalambot. Medyo natamlay ang
Opensa.
opensa ng Team Sangay right now. Yan na si Kobe against Eugene. But there is Elavi Lumabi for the steal. Yan na Lumabi against Barde. Kicks it out to Pilapil. May pick galing kay Malyapre. Pilapil using his body with the fake. Fall away. Gives the ball to Eugene. Medium range. Short. But there is Wawa Ayo securing the rebound.
At ang mga bola ay mapupunta, mananatili sa mga taga Sangay. By the way, Sangay is donning the white shirt and yung Kamaligan naman yung naka-purple.
Yes, and ayan, another turnover on the part of Sangay. Ayan na si Kobe Bryant, gives the ball. Pableo drops it up to Fragoso.
Oh, muntik na! Na
Sayang.
magkaroon pa ng end one itong si Fragoso from that drop mula kay Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Yan na nga partner, muntik na. Magkaroon ng chance sa magka 3-point play itong si Fragoso but misses the shot. And yun na nga, a substitution on the part of Sangay. Si Orolfo pinasok. Pinalitan si Jonathan Balyon, I guess. So much needed rest kasi medyo
Tama.
first quarter walang palitan and up to 5 minutes talagang medyo mapapagod at papapagod din ng player.
Tao lang naman din po talaga ang mga players kahit tingin mo sa kanilang build and stance ay parang hindi mapapagod pero tao din lang yan na talagang nauubusan ng gasolina parang sasakyan lang. Kaya pinagpahingan muna itong si Jonathan Balyon. Again, the new acquired player ng team ng Sangay. What a move!
What a shot on the part of Feben Lumabi. That shot was brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis. Attacking, ayan na. Orolfo grabs the rebound, gives the ball to Pilapil. Pilapil against Wawa Ayo. Drops it up to Regalario, but there is Relucio.
Pilapil almost losing that one from the sideline pero na-save niya yung bola at yun nga, nakapag-initiate ng foul itong si Regalario. That's why nakaapak siya ngayon sa may free throw line.
Yes, na Regalario, one of the missing links so far. Parang hindi pa nakakascore itong player na to. But yun na nga, narinig ako, makes his first free throw. Yung opensa ng Eugene Malyapre and syempre ni Pilapil is one of the missing links here sa ating laro. Kaya medyo nalalamangan sila ng 6 na puntos.
Tama.
2 for 2 on the part of Regalario.
And that's a badly needed free throw shot for Team Sangay. At ayan, 5 na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Kamaligan. Pero they will have a chance na naman to add into their current score and lead.
Pableo for 3. Kaboom! Grabe partner, and that shot is brought to you by Hotel Venecia partner. Yun na nga partner, once na focus talagang ito si Kobe Bryant, talagang he can shoot the lights out, kayang-kaya niyang score in any given day. So talagang kailangan maging composed and focus lang siya sa larong ito.
Tama, wag na niyang paglaruan ng crowd.
Ayan na si Kobe Bryant against Lumabi. Grabe partner, yung strides napakahaba. A big man who can run down the floor, you can dribble the ball. So talagang this kid is fun to watch partner. This is just the first half partner and he is only 21 years old partner.
Oh, he moves like a 5'7" guy.
Ayan na si Kobe Bryant against Eugene Malyapre for 3.
Another try there from Kobe Bryant from the corner pero wala.
Wawa Ayo for 3. Misses the shot but there is Kobe again but Eugene Malyapre steals the ball. Lumabi against Alipante. Drops it up to Orolfo.
Muntik na mabitawan ni Orolfo.
Pilapil for 3. Kaboom!
Yes!
And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi.
And that's their second 3-pointer for Team Sangay, if I'm not mistaken.
Ayan na si Ignacio. Top of the key 3.
Babaw.
Alam niyang mintes kaya tumakbo agad siya.
Oo, parang gusto ka agad bumawin itong si Dodo Ignacio doon sa 3-pointer na binigay ni Ken Pilapil.
Ayan na si Lumabi again. Attacking against Pableo. Gives the ball to Wawa Ayo.
That's a wild pass.
with 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Lamang ang Kamaligan ng 5 puntos.
Corner 3.
Relucio misses the shot, gives the ball to Ignacio against Malyapre, kicks it out to Wawa Ayo. Wawa attacks, drops it off to Ignacio with 6 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. What a block! Ayan na si Relucio, one-hander, misses the shot, rebound by Pilapil.
Oops, muntik na mastilyo ni Joshua Ayo. Oh, and there you go. That's an 8-second violation.
8 seconds violation.
Hindi kaagad na itawid nitong si Ken Pilapil ang bola.
Another turnover on the part of Sangay. Partner, that is a costly miss kasi alam naman niya na may mga tao na sa unahan. So
Tama,
he can
tama.
pass the ball and less dribble. And meron tayong report galing sa ating courtside reporter na si Cassandra. Cassandra, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Coach Jan and DJ Morgan, Team Kamaligan was impressed with how the team ended the first quarter as they achieved the game plan ordered by Coach Brian Ayo. Although Team Sangay was able to dominate the court during the first quarter, which challenges Team Kamaligan, they were able to gradually adjust as time passes by. Sunod-sunod na nga ang scores na naipasok ng mga players ng Team Kamaligan pagpasok ng second quarter. Ayon nga kay Coach Ayo, during the timeout, tamad sa zona ang kalaban, kaya naman maaari nilang i-take advantage yon. Kasalukuyan namang lamang na ang Team Kamaligan, ngunit nasa first half pa lamang tayo, kaya marami pa tayong dapat abangan, kaya tutok lang dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur semi-finals. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Yan, maraming salamat, Miss Cassandra Seton. And balik tayo sa ball game. May magandang tira kanina si Ken Pilapil habang nagre-report si Carmela Seton. Kaya tatlo na lamang po. Ay, Carmela. Cassandra Seton. Ayan, talagang ganun ka-intense ang larong ito. Pati sa mga pangalan ng ating mga gandang courtside, nalilito na naman tayo.
Yan, Pilapil again, keep on attacking the basket, but there is Babap securing the rebound, gives the ball to Alipante. Alipante using the left hand and scoring for 2.
That's an easy layup on the part of Alipante.
And as Regalario drops it up to Eugene. What a fake on Eugene Malyapre.
And there you go.
And finally, I guess that is the first bucket of Eugene Malyapre in this ball game. Ayan na si Babap. Fakes for 3.
32-29, lamang po ng tatlo ang Kamaligan. Under 2 minutes to go sa ating second quarter.
Ayan na si Ignacio against Eugene Malyapre. What a defense on the part of Eugene Malyapre, partner. Grabe, partner.
6 seconds to shoot.
He just stand there. Talagang
Yes, partner, grabe. Yung banggaan at pukpukan nila sa ilalim. Rinig ko on our side. Kaya talagang pakakaabangan natin sa mga susunod na minuto ang laban ng Ignacio versus Malyapre.
At tinayuan lang talaga doon ni Malyapre na kontring puwersa siyempre dahil papasugod ang galit na galit sa ring na si Dodoy Ignacio. Well, good thing on the side of Team Sangay for Malyapre.
Yes,
And we now have a 3K something viewers sa ating Facebook page. Napapanood po tayo sa Ako Bicol Online TV, sa Representative Saldico Facebook page, sa Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, sa YouTube naman, siyempre yung ating Ako Bicol Cup channel. Paki-subscribe na lamang din po and paki-share sa inyong mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa abroad para ma-feel nila yung vibes dito ngayon sa Goa Sports Complex. Nagse-celebrate pa naman ang fiesta itong bayan na ito sa ngayon.
Yes, partner. Happy fiesta po sa inyo. And partner, alam mo naman, tingnan mo yung venue natin. Medyo siksika na pero nag-i-enjoy pa rin sila para panoorin ang ating laro. With 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining sa ating first half, lamang pa rin ng 3 puntos ang Kamaligan. Ayan na si Babap against Regalario. Babap for 3. Misses the shot. Balyon grabs the rebound. But he falls down. Alipante with a floater. Misses the shot. There is Orolfo grabbing the rebound. Yan na si Cano. Pinasok. Cano gives the ball to Lumabi. 1-on-1 against Alipante. He wants a clear out. Ayan na si Lumabi. Grabe, partner.
And Lumabi was fouled by Alipante. Mga bagong legs para sa ating para sa inyong Sangay team. Itong si Camo and nakabalik na itong si Jonathan Balyon.
Kano, partner.
Kano.
Kasi may
rather.
Camo.
Oh,
Yan na
may
si
Camo, may Kano.
Ayan na Regalario for 3. Misses the shot. Grabe naman yung partner. Si Himan grabbing those rebounds. Ayan na si Kobe Bryant. Pableo recovers. Using the left hand. Misses the shot. Cano is there to grab the rebound. Gives the ball to Regalario.
Good defensive stance on the part of Team Sangay.
And Lumabi with the fake. Lumabi dancing. Crosses over. Kicks it out to Balyon for 3. No good.
And that's a short one.
Out of bounds. Team Comaligans
Jonathan Balyon is opting to play outside
43 seconds away.
or talagang nahuli lang siya na makapunta sa kanyang dapat na posisyon, which is the inside the paint.
Yes, partner, the score is 32-29. Lamang pa rin ang Kamaligan with just 43 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Ayan na si Himan directing traffic. Okay, gives the ball to Kobe Bryant. But foul was called on Cano.
Number 27.
And Kobe Bryant Pableo will be shooting 2 free throws for Team Kamaligan na nakakalamang po ng 3 puntos at 36.26 seconds remaining dito po sa ating pangalawang yugto or the first half nitong ating napakainit na bakbakan at talagang mainit din dito sa loob ng Goa Sports Complex dahil punong-puno po tayo. Halos hindi na talaga mahulugan ng karayom ang mga bleachers ng ating sports complex.
Yes, yun nga, partner. Meron tayong isang mga VIPs dito nanonood. Si Ana Broquesa, counselor dito sa Goa, who is watching sa ating venue. Magandang gabi po and maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ating liga.
Magandang gabi, Consi Broquesa. And sana po nag-enjoy kayo.
Ayan na. Ayan na si Himan. May pick galing kay Ignacio. 1-on-1 against Lumabi. Himan with the spin. Attacks. Drops it up to Ignacio. But
Oy, that's a traveling.
He was called for step. Sayang, partner. Medyo na-excite si Tito Sam Ignacio doon. On that sequence, medyo nagmadali. Kaya nag-cost ng turnover. And I guess this is the last possession of our first half. 10 seconds. Sangay ball. Ayan na si Orolfo. Gives the ball to Lumabi.
With 7 seconds.
Lumabi is rushing but there's Alipante. Stripping the ball with 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa ating first half. We have a substitution. Si Orolfo linabas.
This is going to be tough possession for Sangay dahil meron na lamang po tayong 2.54 seconds. I don't know kung how are they going to execute this type of play at a very thin time.
Yes, this is a very crucial possession on the part of Sangay. They must score in order for them to regain their composure. And I guess yung mga set plays talaga pinapractice sila will be evident dito sa ating huling segundo ng ating mga laro.
And he was called for a violation because tumakbo siya.
Yes, it is a backing violation, partner. Bawal yung ginawa niya kanina. Talagang he walked. Sayang, partner, a turnover and this is a chance for Kamaligan to increase the lead and beat the clock sa ating first half.
So as a player talagang alamin mo ang mga rules and regulations ng laro
Ayan na
nito.
si Ignacio. Misses the shot and that ends our very exciting and very thrilling first half sa labanang Sangay versus Kamaligan. The score is 33-29 in favor of Kamaligan. What an exciting first half, partner.
Yes, indeed. Very exciting and I'm sure it's going to be a lot exciting or even more exciting sa pagpapatuloy natin mamaya sa ating second half. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Semifinals Quadro Magnifico atin sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Magbabalik po kami.
15 players lang, yung mauna lang. 3-point shot. Doon lang o, sa logo. 15 lang ha, 15. Yung maunang 15. Wala na. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 na. O, tama na. Okay na, okay na. Oh, wala na. Harap tayo doon, harap doon. Doon tayo, doon tayo. Harap doon, harap doon. Harap doon. Uy, doon tayo, doon tayo. Okay. Ang tatlo lang mo, kukunin namin na tatlo lang. Yung mga pasyon, kung makatatlo na, hindi na naabot yung iba, pasensya. Okay, ang 3-point shootout na ito, hihandog sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Party List ni Congressman Sandy O ng Ako Bicol. Okay. Tatlo lang ha, dyan lang sa ano, sa may logo. Sa may logo. Ayan, sa may logo. Tatlo lang. Receive ng 1,000 pesos. Sige. Ayan. Ayan, pwede yan. Oh! Aba! Teka. Tatandaan mo to. Parang kilala mo to. Yung penalo siya sa sangay ng Big Boy Challenge. Okay. Sino sunod? Oh, yung tapos na. Hindi na pwede yung tapos na. Galingan nyo. 1,000 pesos yan. Okay. Ito na. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Sayang naman. Ayan, wala pa rin. 4, 3 seconds yung nakuha. 3 seconds. Parang mamaya na talaga dapat. Mamaya, 5,000 mamaya. Kasi wala naman nakashoot. Naku mo, sayang. Wala talaga. Wala talaga. O, isa lang ang nanalo. Mamaya ulit sa second game. O, di ka na rito. Nakadami na to eh. Nanalo na to sa sangay. 5,000 pesos. Ano ba yan? Negosyo na ata to ah. Teka muna, direct. May Big Boy Challenge ba dyan? Pasayawin nga natin to ng Big Boy. Pasayawin natin to ng Big Boy. Oo, kasi nakasobra na to. Nanalo to ng 5,000 sa sangay. Big Boy Challenge. Ngayon, naka 3-point shot na naman. O, isang Big Boy Challenge muna dyan. O, pagkakataon mo na ito sumikat. Ganyan ang Ako Bicol Cup. Lahat may chance. Bigyan ko na 1,000 pesos. Mamaya ulit, yung malakas ang loob. Lakasan yung palalo. First of all, maraming salamat ulit. Saka
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinot sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, kadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Once again, magandang gabi Pilipinas! Diyos marhay na banggi mga kasarog. Live na live po tayo dito sa loob ng Goa Sports Complex. Dito mismo sa bayan na nagdiriwang ng kanilang kapistahan ang bayan ng Goa dito po sa Camarines Sur para sa ating unang laban dito sa ating Quadro Magnifico semifinals. Kasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan and ang aking magiting na katandem ngayong gabing ito. Walang iba kundi si Wadi John Bachiller.
Yan ulit, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And guess what a first half partner na nangyari sa atin kanina. What a strong start on the part of Sangay talaga. A 13-0 run sa ating first quarter.
Pero nahabol yan.
But a mini run was anchored by Babap Santa Maria and Samuel Ignacio to ignite the offense of Kamaligan, and nakalapit ang Kamaligan with just 1 point na natapos ang ating first quarter.
And sa pagtatapos ng ating first half ay nakakalamang po ng 4 na puntos, 33-29 itong Kamaligan. And again, merong trouble. Ano ba nangyari doon? Mukhang napaaga yung buzzer natin for the...
Yes, we have a technical difficulty doon sa ating scorer's table. Medyo tumunog ang ating buzzer, even it's not a 24 seconds violation. But yun nga, partner.
Once again, they have to... Sangay needs to beat Kamaligan para ma-force sa Game 2.
Yes,
itong kanilang laban. Dahil pagka nanalo na po dito ang Kamaligan ay automatically Kamaligan na po ang papasok sa ating finals at inaantay kung sino naman ang mananalo between Naga and Goa na maglalaban mamaya. And talking about the Goa team, Goa Wildcats, nakaabang na po ang napakamaraming tao na siguro sabihin natin mga 90% na nandito sa loob ng ating Goa Sports Complex ay talagang solid Goa Wildcats fans.
Yun na nga, partner. Yun ang sinasabi natin sa dami ng tao nandito sa ating Goa Sports Complex talaga. Medyo may mga technical difficulties tayong may encounter. So please bear with us and pagpasensya nyo, talagang napakadami. Hindi kami nagbibiro ni Kapa. Napakadaming tao ang nandito sa ating venue.
And even sa labas, Wadi Jan, talagang merong mga nanonood sa ating LED screen.
Yun naman nga kagandahan, partner, sa ating Ako Bicol Cup. Kasi pag talagang puno na yung venue, meron tayong LED truck na pinupwesto lang somewhere beside the venue. Para
tama.
Di sila makapasok, nandun sila. Para makakita, pwede sila dun kumain habang nanonood or anong gawin nila. But syempre, hatid talaga sa atin yan na Ako Bicol Party List and syempre ni Congressman Saldi ko.
And shout out na din para kay Kong Jill Bongalon.
Ay, opo.
Laging nanonood sa ating mga coverages. Yan, Congressman Jill Bongalon.
And congratulations po kay Congressman Jill kasi kinasal siya ngayong araw.
Ay, ngayon ba yun?
Yes, ngayon partner.
Tama. Naalala ko rin.
Congratulations po. And best wishes po sa inyo. And yun na nga.
And talking about doon sa mga hindi nakakapasok po dito sa venue natin dahil punong-puno na. Again, napapanood po tayo sa labas with our big LED screen. Pero kung hindi kayo satisfied pa dyan, pwede rin kayo manood sa inyong mga own screen, which is your cellphone. Dahil tayo po ay napapanood online sa pamamagitan ng Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page at siyempre sa Representative Saldico Facebook page at sa ating YouTube channel, ang Ako Bicol Cup YouTube. Alright, so sige.
Ito na. Partner, balik sa ating laro. The score is 33-29. Lamang pa rin ang Kamaligan ng 4 na puntos.
Pero nasa mga taga-Sangay ngayon ng possession.
What a steal by Himan. But grabe si Ella Vilumabi. Rushing. Ayan na si Pilapil. Top of the key. 3.
Yes!
Using the glass. And that opens our third quarter with that booming triple. Hatid sa atin ni Ken Pilapil.
I think Ken Pilapil was a bit surprised dahil bumanda yung tira niya. Pero ganun man pa. Pumasok yun! At pumasok din!
And Baba Santa Maria answering back with that booming triple. And again, this third quarter is going to be an exciting one, partner.
Yes, indeed. That's a good sign. This is going to be more exciting kumpara sa nakaraang dalawang quarters kanina. With those 2 3-pointers made by both teams.
Opening the third quarter with that 2 3-pointers talaga. ignited teams talaga. So, we will watch out for the coming minutes kung anong papakawalan nila.
Oo, wala pang isang minuto nga ang nakukonsumo natin. Yun na, dalawang 3-pointers na ang natunghayan natin. Tag-isa ang both teams, courtesy of Ken Pilapil for Sangay, and sinagot naman kaagad ni Baba Santa Maria with a long 3 malapit sa sideline. And right now, pinupunasan lang yung ating sahig dahil medyo madulas. But it's going to be Sangay's basketball.
Pilapil inbounding. Gives the ball to Lumabi against the much taller si Barde. Ayan na si Barde. Defending. Gives the ball to Balyon. And Pilapil kicks it out. Pilapil for 3. Misses the shot.
And Regalario can't get the rebound.
Ayan na si Barde, but sorry miss on the part of Barde. Sayang nun, partner.
And Barde cannot make that layup also.
Ayan na si Malyapre, 1-1 against the much smaller Hinan. Kicks it out to Regalario for 3.
Bang!
Using the glass again. And I guess the bank is open on a Saturday for Regalario. And now the lead is back.
Just a 1-point lead for Kamaligan.
Ayan na si Himan with the spin. Using the left hand. Misses the shot. Eugene Malyapre grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Sangay. Sangay is rushing. Sangay. What a pass by Pilapil.
What a play!
And again, the lead.
Pilapil is doing wonders for Team Sangay at this very moment.
Ayan na si Himan directing traffic. Himan attacks, gives the ball to Ignacio. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Babap Santa Maria attacks. And he was hacked and will troop to the line for 2.
And that's Jonathan Balyon was called for the foul, and I guess that's his second. Tama ba yung narinig ko kay JV na that's his second personal foul?
Yes, partner, that's his second personal foul. And the first shot was a miss. And
that's a rare miss mula kay Babap Santa Maria mula sa free throw line.
Yes. It is a rare miss nga, partner, kasi he is very reliable sa free throws and makes his second free throw. And we are now deadlock. I guess this is the first deadlock of our ball game. Tama, this is the first deadlock.
Yes, indeed. It's 37 all. Pero hindi pa na-update yung dito sa atin.
Oh! What a slam by Jonathan Balyon!
Oh my goodness!
Grabe yun, partner. Oh my God. Ginugulat tayo ng Sangay. Era si Pilapil ahead.
Out for words. And another play!
But misses
Sorry,
the shot.
miss on the part of Eugene Malyapre.
Ayan na si Ignacio against Regalario. Block. Ignacio diving for the loose ball. Gives the ball to Barde.
They have 12 seconds to shoot.
Ayan na si Babap Santa Maria. Santa Maria attacks against Malyapre and calmly sinks that floater shot.
What a floater mula kay Babap Santa Maria. Very composed talagang yung concentration niya on making that shot was there even in front of much taller guys.
Ayan na si Pilapil, one-on-one against Pableo, gives the ball to. This is the shot. Ayan na si Balyon grabbing the offensive rebound and scoring for 2.
Yes, Jonathan Balyon saving the day for Sangay after that miss from Viben Malyabi mula sa three-point shot.
Ayan na, Ignacio misses the 3-point shot. Ayan na si Balyon, outlets to Pilapil. Lumabi is ahead but Pilapil opted to dribble. Pilapil with a crossover, drops it up to Regalario for
another good play!
And a 2.
What a play there! And it's all Ken Pilapil initiating those kind of plays for Sangay na talagang kailangan nila.
And the crowd of Sangay is now chanting for defense. Santa Maria, what a defense on the part of Lumabi. Gives the ball to Ignacio for 3, misses the shot. Balyon securing the rebound. 2 against 1. Lumabi drops it up to Regalario. But he was
And-
fouled by Barte and will troop to the line for our charity stripe.
Nako partner, hindi ko na naririnig ang pito ng mga referee dahil sa ingay ng crowd dito sa loob. Grabe.
What a slam by Jonathan Balyon.
Hindi umabot doon si Kobe Bryant Pableo to block that slam at jama.
Ayan na si Regalario sinks the first free throw. And the score is 43-39. Lamang na po ang Sangay dito sa ating third quarter. Regalario misses the second free throw. This Regalario guy is a two-way player partner. He can play offense and especially he can play also the defensive side. Ayan na si Himan, outlets to Barde. Barde attacking the baseline, gives the ball to Ignacio. What
Nice
a pass.
play. Nice play. Wala kay Lionel Barde.
What a pass by a police officer Barde to Tito Sam Ignacio.
And yeah, Sam or Dodo Ignacio was in the right place at the right time when Lionel Barde.
Yan na si Himan against Pilapil with a spin but misses the shot. Lumabi taps the ball. Lumabi, what a crossover and a pull-up.
What a shot!
And a stare down to police officer Barde.
After that crossover and that jumper made by Ken Pilapil.
Yan na si Babak with the long three. Misses the shot, but there is Himan to grab the offensive rebound. Himan gives the ball to Lumabi.
Ayan,
4 against 1. Malyapre gives the ball to Lumabi. And Malyapre scores for 2.
And just like that, meron ng 7 kalamangan ang Sangay, kaya namawag ng ceasefire itong mga taga-Kamaligan. It's all been Ken Pilapil for Sangay. Siya talaga yung nag-ignite para sa run nila dito sa pagpasok o dito sa ating third quarter ng kauna-unahang laban sa ating semifinals. Dito po sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang fiesta ang Goa. Ayan ang napakagandang jumper nitong si Ken Pilapil. And yan ang mga magandang passing din ng Lumabi and Malyapre. Anong mga thoughts mo dito, Wad? Ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayong nakakalamang ang kupunan ng Sangay kontra sa powerhouse team na Kamaligan?
Yes, on the part of Sangay, this is a total team effort. Kasi noong first half talaga hindi pa gumagalaw masyado si Jonathan Balyon. And now, he is being aggressive sa larong ito. So, he is added firepower pagdating sa scoring dito sa Sangay. And we have 3,800 live viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa aming liga.
At asahang lalaki pa yan mamaya.
Yes,
dahil
for
talagang napaka-exciting na mga games natin dito sa loob ng ating Cuadro Magnifico quarterfinals Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Almost a steal there.
Ayo, top of the key. May pick na binibigay si Raymar Taquino. Ayo, what a backdoor play. Pero medyo napababa ang pasa ni Wawa Ayo kay Barde. Kaya nag-commit sila ng turnover. Ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Sangay.
Napakatulis ng pasang yon. For
Ayan na
Barde to handle.
Pilapil against si Eugene Malyapre against Sam Ignacio. Eugene Malyapre, pull-up jumper, misses the shot. Santa Maria crossing the half court. Ayan na si Ignacio, gives the ball to Barde for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Lumabi. Lumabi stops, gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre. And grabe, partner.
Walang foul na naitawag doon, but the ball is going to be theirs because of it was stripped out of bounds by the man in purple.
Pilapil with the jump step.
And there you go, the whistle for the foul.
Ken Pilapil is now taking over sa ating third quarter, both on offense and in defense. Passing and finding his open teammates for an easy bucket.
Hindi pa naman po nasa penalty ang mga teams, lalo na ang Kamaligan. Pero Ken Pilapil was fouled trying to make a layup.
He is fouled on the act of shooting. So he will troop to the line and makes his first free throw. Tingnan natin. Yun, partner, kita mo yung trust ng kanyang teammates kay Ken Pilapil.
Tama.
No rebounders. And yun na nga, hindi niya pinahiya.
Oo. Maganda yung puna mo kanina na no rebounders for Ken Pilapil's free throws. And right now, Camaligan needs to score to cut the bleeding.
Yan na. Ignacio with
and there you go.
The short jumper. And makes to stop the bleeding on the part of Camaligan, decreasing the lead of Sangay into just 7 points only. Ayan na si Pilapil against Barde. Pilapil may pick kay Eugene. Gives the ball to Balyon against Aquino. With 12 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Pilapil against Barde. Pilapil with a fall-away jumper.
Nice shot!
Grabe, partner.
Pro na pro ang tirang yon.
Grabe naman yun, partner.
That's a Kobe Bryant move.
Barde gives the ball to Aquino. Barde again. Corner 3 misses the shot, but there is Ignacio to grab the offensive rebound and saving the day for Camaligan.
2 consecutive 2-pointers for Dodoy Ignacio.
Cano, short jumper, misses the shot. Eugene Malyapre.
Wala.
Sorry, miss on the
malakas.
part of Eugene. Ayan na si Santa Maria. Gives the ball to Ignacio with the fake. What a veteran move on the part of Sam Ignacio. Very cool, partner. He is now the bright spot on Camaligan side, scoring 6 straight points.
Yes, and siya lang yung pumupuntos ngayon sa parte ng mga taga-Camaligan. At sa parte naman ng Sangay, it's all Ken Pilapil.
And Ken Pilapil is on a mission right now. He is carrying the load in the offense of Sangay, draining threes and especially attacking those lanes with that open layup. Yun na nga, Babam Santa Maria still struggling and mabalik tayo. Grabe si Ken Pilapil and he is now requesting to be replaced because medyo pagod na at humihingi ng ice para lagyan ng kanyang ulo because grabe talaga yung intensity ng larong ito.
Ken Pilapil's been the workhorse for Sangay.
Ayan na si Lumabi. Lumabi is rushing. Kicks it out to Eugene Malyapre. Ayan na si Cano. Binalik kay Malyapre. Short jumper. And what a shot by Eugene Malyapre.
Medyo hesitant pa siya on making that shot. But sabi niya, and nandito na ako, nasa area na eh. Tira ko na to.
Tama ka dyan. Nakita niya papalapit na si Sam Ignacio sa depensa. So he opted to teardrop. And I guess the shot is made. Ayan na si Barde. Drops it off. Ayan na. Lumabi is ahead. Lumabi against Aquino. And scores for 2.
There you go. Isang dosena na po ang kalamangan ng Sangay. Under 2 minutes sa ating third quarter. 1 minute and 29 seconds to be exact ang natitira po sa ating pangatlong yugto.
Yes, ayan na si Barde. Labs it up, but there is again Eugene Malyapre. Ayan na si Cano with a layup and scores!
Easy 2 for Cano.
And partner, this is no joke. This is a 14-point lead to the part of Sangay. Wawa Ayo.
Ayan, sabi ni Wawa Ayo, I need to do this right here, right now.
A much needed score on the part of Camaligan to stop the bleeding again of Sangay. Decreasing the lead to just 11 points. Ayan na si Lumabi with 14 seconds remaining against Wawa Ayo. Lumabi attacks. What a
nice shot,
partner!
Attacking down the middle is the smallest guy inside the court right now, Viven Lumabi.
And is now playing defense. Ayan na, what a pass ni Barde to the cutting Raymart Aquino and scoring with the under goal stab. Ayan na si Balyon. Gives the ball to Cano with 24 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Lumabi. 14 seconds remaining against Wawa Ayo. Lumabi attacks. Nakuha ni Cano. Pinomba ang bola. Wala. Ignacio.
Now it's Babak Santa Maria.
Stops for 3. Barde. What a fake, partner. A very composed shot on the part of Barde with 2 seconds remaining. Yan na si Cano with a Hail Mary shot. And that ends our third quarter with a score of 54-63.
It's a 9-point lead by Sangay as we end our third quarter action dito po sa ating bakbakan ng Sangay at Kamaligan.
Yes, partner. Grabe, partner. Labang na lamang in another. Hindi pa rin ako makaget over doon sa slam dunk na pinakita ni Jonathan Balon. But this is just a 9-point lead. It is just as an anybody's ball game, partner.
Yes.
With this Kamaligan squad, a very known offensive squad. Kayang-kaya nila bumalik in any given day and in any given night.
Tama. Known for being a resilient team itong Kamaligan. Kaya brace yourselves mga kasurog dahil hindi pa po tapos ang laban. Pinapainit lang. Pero ganun po man, nakakalabang po ng 9 na puntos ang mga taga-Sangay kontra sa much favored team na Kamaligan sa laban na ito. Yun yung napakagandang tira din ni Ken Pilapil. The bump, the fade, and the shot.
Yes, Ken Pilapil is the bright spot sa third quarter on the part of Sangay talaga. He is now, partner, who are the leading scorers sa ating laro for today's first game?
And you were talking about Pilapil. Siya na nga po ang nanguna sa Sangay. Inangat niya with his 21 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block. Sinusundan naman siya ni Lumabi with 10 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, 5 steals, and 1 block. Samantalang kanilang newly acquired na si Jonathan Bailon ay meron ding 12 points, 5 rebounds, and 1 assist. Ignacio is merong 14 points, 5 rebounds, and 1 assist para naman sa team ng Kamaligan.
Yes, grabe partner talaga. 21 points and this is just the third quarter. Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang magiging papakitang laro ni Ken Pilapil sa ating huling yugto. Ayan yung partner, umatake si Himan and he was fouled and nasa free throw line siya.
And yan ang naging adjustments ni Coach Brian Ayo, putting Alexis Himan back in the ball game to add firepower and speed para sa kanyang kupunan with his backcourt tandem na si Joshua Ayo and Babap Santa Maria.
Tama ka dyan. Kamaligan is now in a 3-guard lineup. So this adjustments made is for sure na lamang dito kasi yung Sangay keep on running. Ayan na si Buela for 3. Kaboom!
Parang gusto ko nang maniwala sa swerte ngayon.
Yes, and that shot was brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Highlands. Yan na si Babap answering back but misses the shot. And the ball will go to Team Sangay, partner.
And those kind of shots by Buela like that recent 3-pointer ay seldomly made by this guy sa mga previous games nila. Pero dahil siguro sa confidence na meron sila ngayon, talagang pati si Kano ay nag-3 points na.
Yes, tama kaya nasabi ni yan si Himan. Alexis attacking the heart of the defense of Sangay na si Buela. Crosses over against Babap. Buela and Himan.
Magiging sa tingin ko magiging malaking factor itong si Alexis Himan na nasa loob ngayon ng Team Kamaligan. Dahil if we will recall yung kanilang last outing with the powerhouse team also na Team Iriga ay isa din ito si Himan sa bumuhat ng kanilang team para sa big win nila against Arriba Iriga. At yun nga, talking about Himan, naka-steal na naman.
What about?
And nakapuntos.
May body control on the part of Himan. Yun na nga, decreasing the lead to just medyo may dugo.
Actually, siya yung nag-initiate ng contact sa tingin ko.
Yes, yun na nga, partner.
He bumped Ken Pilapil up para makapag-create siya ng space. Pero mukhang siya yung nasugatan. But I think he's okay. Sabi niya, I'm okay.
Pero partner, under our FIBA rules talaga
okay bawal.
Pag blooded player talaga, hindi pwedeng hindi i-check.
Tama. And there goes Coach Pau Biñas strictly saying that you will be attended to muna.
Yes, after that, pag pwede na siya bumalik. But siyempre, this is basketball, but for sure, yung safety and health pa rin ang inuuna ng ating cup ating liga ng mga players ang priority.
Partner, yan ang tinatawag na literal na stop the bleeding.
Yeah, tama. Talaga. Pero tingnan natin kung mapapastop o bleeding ng ating mga medical staff na nanonood. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And partner, kanina pa, yan na nga si Buela. Another turnover, partner. This is just a 7-point lead. Babap Santa Maria against Buela. Santa Maria with the dipsy-do but misses the shot. Cano, Buela, attacks using the glass, but there is Aquino blocking the shot.
And there you go. That's Kobe Bryant Pableo making that one a good finish for the Pinoy Mamba.
Yes, ayan na. Buela for 3, fakes. Buela for 3 again. Misses the shot, but Cano secures the rebound. And he was called for traveling.
Buela took those 3 missed shots.
Kaya, partner.
And he's really forcing it.
Yun na nga, partner.
And hindi maganda yung nagiging resulta. Kaya yan, pinalitan na siya ni Regalario.
Yun na nga, partner. Maraming nanonood. Speaking of nanonood, nag-chat ang aking kapatid all the way from Singapore who is watching right now. Happy viewing sa inyo. Kay si Dex, si Roy, si Earl, and aking kapatid. Ingat kayo dyan. And manood kayo ng laro. May marami pa tayong susunod na laro.
Alright, and it's just a 5-point lead now at 7.51 sa ating fourth quarter. It's anybody's ball game.
Yes, ayan na si Lumabi splitting the defense of 2 violet shirts. Ayan na, heavily guarded by Wawa Ayo. Lumabi.
You need to cross now.
Yes, he beat the 8-second violation. Ayan na si Lumabi against Aquino. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock, Lumabi. Ayan na, Pilapil gives the ball to Eugene. Teardrop. Misses the shot, but there is Ken Pilapil, but sorry, miss. Balyon with the offensive rebound.
And once again, Jonathan Balyon saving the day for Team Sangay.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. With 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter, lamang ng 7, Kobe for 3. Misses the shot, Balyon secures the rebound, gives the ball to Eugene. Eugene is ahead, Eugene attacking and scoring for 2.
What a powerful finish on the part of that big guy, Eugene Malyapre.
And yun na nga, partner, nagdalawang easy pass up because yung speeds ng guards nandun to defend him, but he opted to. Ayan na si Lumabi, steal by Eugene. Pilapil is ahead. Pilapil, what a block by Joshua Ayo. What a defensive on the part of Joshua Ayo, partner.
Yeah, what an effort on the part of the smaller guy, Joshua Ayo.
Grabe, partner. A small man with a big heart and a good block, partner.
And that, you call that...
that is, what to? Sabay pa tayo. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ang tira ni Eugene.
And I'm still grasping for that term.
Ayan na si Pilapil. What a block.
That's a, what do you call that? Like LeBron James block?
Oh. Nakalimutan natin. Sa sobra.
Trace down.
That is a chase down block talaga.
Block.
Grabe. Starstruck ako kay Wawa on that sequence talaga. Grabe, partner.
Oh, shout out na muna sa anak ko, Jerjim Alec Madronio, who's watching right now with Jay Altesa. Ayan, shout out sa inyo, anak. Jerjim Madronio and Jay Altesa.
Yes. Iyon na nga, partner.
Chase down! Thank you so much, Nong. Buti na lang nandito si Nong.
Yan na nga, talagang natatawa talaga ako kasi I was very excited on that block of Wawa Ayo.
Yeah.
And nasa dulo ng aking dila, tapos binanggit mo, sabay tingin at wala tayong nasabi. And we are back sa ating laro with 61-72. Sangay is up by 11 points with just 6 minutes sa ating laro.
And because of that chase down block by Joshua, I didn't natin napansin yung tira ni Fiben Lumabi.
Yes, partner. I put back. And yun na nga, partner. Partner, this is just the first game. And this is Ako Bicol Cup Basketball. What more can you ask, partner?
Hingi ako ng pamaypay. Painit ng painit po ang laban dito sa Kamaligan and Sangay semi-final.
And what a shot. Grabe si Himan with bandage sa ulo, but still he's keep on attacking. Ayan na si Pilapil against Himan with the flop. Pilapil stops and pops for 3. No good. Rebound by Ignacio.
Ano kaya ang mangyayari kung naipasok yun ni Ken Pilapil?
Yes,
Ken Pilapil.
Ayan na. Kobe Bryant was caught dancing in the wrong song and he was called for steps. Partner, yun na nga. Again, patindi ng patindi na ang laro.
So once again, the ball belongs to Team Sangay.
Yes, partner, yun na nga. Maraming nagchat-chat sa akin at batiin ko sila, isa-isain ko. And now, we have 3,900, 4,000 viewers sa atin. Yan si Balyon against Kobe Bryant. Pableo misses the shot. Aquino. Ayan na. What a defense. Pero natawagan ng blocking foul si Feben Lumabi, partner. Nakikita ko rin ang messenger mo na sabog na. Dahil maraming nagbababati. Pasensya na kayo. Iisa-isay namin kayo maya-maya. And tinitingnan tayo ng masama ng ating kaibigan na si Miss Jody na gusto pa rin magbabati. And si Nico na walang kahilig-hilig sa babae. Magandang gabi sa iyo, sir.
Ano bang hilig kasi?
And batiin ko lahat lang nanonood dito sa Goa Sports Complex. Magandang gabi sa inyo.
We're enjoying the action here, Kapa Morgan and Wadi Jan Batselier.
And nag-chat din si Andrew Gonzalez na batiin ko daw ang Team Daraga. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Ayan na si Balyon. Jonathan Balyon using his body. Grabe, partner, yung banggaan Aquino Balyon. Talagang nagbabanggaan. And ito, nasa harap natin ang ating kaibigan na si Paul Joseph Redoblado na pawis na.
Akala ko babanggain din tayo ni Paul.
Ayan yun na nga, partner.
Ayan, the Clash of the Titans. Jonathan Balyon and Raymart Aquino.
Ayan na, Balyon misses the first free throw. This is a very important free throws, partner, kasi down the wire ang ating laro sa mga huling minuto. These free throws will count for sure.
And again, itong player na to, si Jonathan Balyon, ay bago for Team Sangay.
Misses both free throws. So, partner, sayang nun, partner. A golden opportunity sana.
Tama.
But he misses those free throws. Yan na si Baba. Short stab. And partner, unti-unti na. Inuunti.
Unti-unti ng
inuunti-unti ng mga taga-kamaligan ng lamang ng Sangay. And this is just a 7-point lead with 5 minutes remaining sa ating huling yugto. Pilapil against Aquino. Humihingi ng pick kay Balyon. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Marliapre gives the ball to Pilapil. Pilapil attacks with a reverse.
Using the back door! Ken Pilapil!
Using the left hand. And that shot is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. Ayan na si Santa Maria against Pilapil. Double pick. Santa Maria for 3. Misses the shot. But there is Aquino again grabbing the offensive rebound.
Balik kay Santa Maria.
Babak for 3. No good.
Strong.
Rebound again by Aquino. And he was fouled by Jonathan Balyon and will troop to the line sa ating free throw line.
74-65. Nakakalaban po ng Siyam ang Sangay.
Yes,
and, much to our delight, ang nagiging outcome o nagiging resulta ng bakbakan nitong dalawang kupunan na to. Battling for the much coveted possession sa ating papalapit na finals. Again, ang Sangay ay kailangang talunin ang Kamaligan dito sa larong ito to force a Game 2. Samantala kung mananalo na dito ang Kamaligan, ay automatically they will be waiting for the finals. Kung sino ang makakatapat nila.
And mga partner, what a ball game we are having sa ating first game. 67-64 in favor of Sangay pa rin.
Nagbabadya, partner. Mayroon ka bang dalang gamit para sa game bukas, just in case?
Yun na nga, partner. Papunta kami dito sa ating venue. Dumaan si Coach Paulo sa bahay at sabi niya, alis na tayo at wala akong dalang gamit. Sabi niya, magdala ka ng gamit just in case. Kasi alam naman natin ang very unpredictable ang Ako Bicol Cup basketball.
Tama. And yan ang pinapakita ngayon ng kupunan ng Sangay.
Yes.
Bawal daw uminom muna.
Walang inuman at walang kumakain dito sa katabi ko. And talaga, partner, sumasabog na aking messenger. Batiin ko na rin na nagpapabati ang Albay Basketball Community. Magandang gabi sa inyo, mga utol. And manood kayo sa larong ito.
And ayan, meron na lamang po tayong 4 minutes and 39 seconds sa mapupunta ang bola ngayon or nasa kamay na ni Fiben Lumabi ng Sangay ang bola.
Yes, and si Lumabi, one-on-one against Aquino. With 13 seconds remaining, and si Lumabi, kicks it out to Pilapil for 3. No good. Rebound by Babap Santa Maria. Ayan, Babap is rushing against Lumabi. Babap attacks. Gives it up to He-Man, then scoring for 2.
Hindi naman ipinahiyan ni Alexis ang pasang yon ni Babap Santa Maria after he rebounded that ball after the miss of Sangay.
Yes, kita mo partner talagang inuunti-unti na ng kamaligan ng lamang. Very composed lang sila during.
Merong foul away from the ball. Hindi natin nakita from here.
Offensive foul number 0. And Pilapi, second personal foul.
So it's going to be Kamaligan's ball. A chance para matapyasan ang kanilang hinahabol na 5 puntos into just pwedeng 2 points or just a 3-point lead.
Yes, partner, this is just anybody's ball game. And dito si Paul nagbibigay ng leche plan sa atin. And talaga, I'm very amazed on how these teams talaga battling out para sa ating prestihiyosong kampyonato. Kung sino makakapasok dito, sila yung first ever na makakapasok sa Camarines Sur Lake ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Well, masasabi ko na Sangay is really performing exceptionally dito sa larong ito. And they have to. Dahil yun naman talaga ang sabi ko nga kanina sa pregame natin, they have to quoting this quote na they have to double their gains. Parang you have to double your muscles. If you want to double your the gains for your muscles, you have to triple your effort. And that's what Sangay is displaying right now, showing us that they're ready.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And marami nagpapasyato talaga, partner. Habang meron tayong batiin ko na si Coach Mel Lodana, who is watching right now. Nagpapabati siya. And si Jamba Garing, who is now watching din. Nagpapabati. And yung aking kaibigan na si Jonathan Tickboy Del Rosario. Yung warmer mo, brother. Akin na yun, ha. And syempre, patiin ko ang ating butihing commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, who is watching right now. Magandang gabi. And si Boss Ino Rivera, magandang gabi sa inyo. And syempre, dito sa nanonood, ayun na nga, kakatext lang. Paano naman daw siya? Ito na, binati na kita ang aking bossing na si Ino Rivera na walang kahilig-hilig sa basta.
Walang kahilig-hilig sa mga bagay-bagay. Sayang, suot ko pa naman yung alam mo na. Pero wala sila dito, di nila kita.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Boss Ino and Boss Lloyd. Sana ay masaya kayo dyan kung nasan man kayo.
Kung nasan man kayo, dyan na lang kayo.
Ayan na si He-Man crossing the half-court line with 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Ayan na, Pableo against Regalario. Aquino gives the ball to Santa Maria for 3. Misses the shot, but there is He-Man. What a shot, but misses
That
the
could
point
have been
blank.
a big shot for He-Man.
Ayan na si Buela, out is to Regalario. Gives the ball to Lumabi. Misses the shot, a sorry miss. Ayan na si He-Man. He-Man against Eugene Malyapre.
Dito mo na partner, dito mo na makikita who are the men among the boys.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kita mo, partner, Eugene Malyapre is very determined to block that shot. But instead, he opted to raise his hand and defend well. Kaya na-deflect yung tira ni Hinan. And yun na, si Coach Paulo dumadaan, may dalang leche plan.
Ay, nako, sarap niyan.
And ayan na si Regalario. Gives the ball to Balyon. With 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Balyon attacks. Kicks it out to Buela. Buela attacks. Loses the ball. Kobe secures the possession. Babap. And he was fouled.
Iba ang nagiging galawan pagka nasa loob si Buela para sa Team Sangay.
Yes, partner.
Buela could have took that shot.
Yes, he could have took that shot talaga, partner, kasi those active hands, especially this He-Man talaga, pag lumusot ka talagang nandun yung mga kamay nila to steal the ball.
Mas maganda nang itira mo kasi mas may chance pa na pumasok yan.
Yes.
Kasi kung hindi mo ititira yan, ang chances are ma-steal yan sa'yo and you will, it will cause a turnover. You need not worry kasi napakalaki naman ng mama for the rebound na si Jonathan Balyon and Eugene Malyapre.
He-man. Grabe naman pagdating sa rebound. Ayan na. Here's Lumabi. Steals the ball against Kobe Bryant Pableo and he was called for steps.
And good defense on the part of Kobe Bryant Pableo. Not giving up on that play. Hindi niya hinayaan itong si Fiben Lumabi na magkaroon ng space for that takeover.
Ayan na si He-man against Lumabi with the spin. He-man attacks, kicks the ball to Kobe Bryant using the glass but misses the shot.
Big rebound on the part of Eugene Malyapre.
Ayan na si Lumabi with a teardrop. No good.
Minadali masyado ni Lumabi yun. He could have consumed a few more seconds before.
I guess that was ill-advised shot kasi talagang outnumbered pa sila and yung tira is not a percentage, kumbaga sabi nga sa larong kalye, walang porsyento kumbaga dahil it is a teardrop. So
nakakalamang naman sila eh. They are leading by 5.
Si Aquino for 3.
And that's a big shot!
Shot by cold-blooded
Aquino.
A cold-blooded 3 on the part of Raymart Aquino. And that shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Ayan na si Malyapre, drops it up to Regalario.
Nice play, but just couldn't make those kind of shots. Those are very important shots on the part of Team Sangay. But good thing, mapupunta naman sa free throw line itong si Regalario. But he could have made a 3-point play opportunity because of that one. Wala kay Eugene Malyapre.
Ayan na si Regalario. Calmly sinks the first one. Regalario is a steady guy pagdating sa free throw line. Pero tingnan natin, sana hindi ko naman nabate. Baka magpintis ang kanyang second free throw. And the score is 72-75. Lamang pa rin ang mga nakaputi. And we are nearing the 2-minute our twilight zone. Ayan na si Regalario. Calmly sinks the 2 free throws.
Sangay needs a defensive stop. While ito namang Kalamaligan ay kailangang makascore sa possession na ito.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si He-man. Gives the ball to Babap against Kobe.
Oh, what a good play! Very nice recognition on the part of Kobe Bryant Pableo.
What a steady. Yun na nga, partner. Very steady talaga. This is a veteran squad. What a crossover by Eugene. But nabitawan ni Eugene ang bola. And he committed a foul. A sorry turnover, partner. Pero mabalik tayo on that possession. Grabe. Yung patience na pinapakita pagdating sa opensa ng Team Kamaligan, finding those open teammates for an easy shot. And I guess nasa penalty na ang Sangay. So
mapupunta sa free throw line. May mapupunta ba sa free throw line, partner? Wala naman. It's just a turnover caused by
no, partner. I guess there is a violation. There is a foul.
There's a foul. Okay. Couldn't cope up with what happened in the last few seconds. Anyway, lamang po ng 2 puntos ang Sangay. Kanina, it was as high as 8 points, if I'm not mistaken. But right now, talagang very close po yung game natin as we get ourselves nearer and nearer to the final minute of the ball game.
Second personal foul.
Yes, natawagan ng offensive foul si Eugene Malyapre on that sequence. And yun na nga. They are not yet in the penalty. So talagang
ang nasa penalty, I guess, is tama ba ang ano natin? Ang nasa penalty ay ang Kamaligan.
No, partner.
No.
It is Sangay.
Sangay, okay.
The penalty.
So it's anybody's ball game once again, mga kasarog. Ganun ka-crucial ang larong ito. And once again, kung maipapanalo ito ng Kamaligan, that's it for Sangay.
And kung maipapanalo naman to ng Team Sangay, wala tayong uwian.
Walang uwian dahil there will be a game 2 bukas.
Yes, a do or die ball game if Sangay wins tonight. And yun na nga, partner. They are still up by 2 points. And Kapit and manood tayo. Tingnan natin, look at the faces ng ating nanonood. Talaga very serious talaga because inaabangan nila kung ano mangyayari sa mga susunod na sequence ng ating laro.
Tama, tama. Lahat naman ngayon ay talagang kapit na kapit, tutok na tutok of what is happening right here sa ating Sangay Kamaligan duel dito sa ating semifinals na tinaguri ang Quadro Magnifico dito po sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurug pa. We have live viewers of 5.2 million, hindi, 1,000. 5,200 viewers po ang nanonood sa atin ngayon live.
Yes, kasama doon sa 5,200 na nanonood ang aking dalawang anak na si Juan Carlos and si Franco Miguel. Manood lang kayo and enjoy the game and behave lagi and I miss you.
Huwag kayong mag-away. Sana naman isang team ang chinicheer nyo lang, hindi kayo magkalaban.
Ayun na nga, a sorry miss on the part of Himan. Sayang nun partner, a golden opportunity for Kamaligan, but still this is just a 2-point lead, so alam natin ay Himan misses both free throws, but there is again Raymar Taquino securing the possession. Ayan na si Pableo against Eugene Malyapre, block. What a defense on the part of Eugene Malyapre.
Indeed, partner.
Ayan na si Regalario crossing the half-court line.
Yeah, they have to hand it over to the best ball handler in the team, which is Ken Pilapil right now. And hayaan na lang nila kung ano maging resulta. Basta't nasa magandang kamay ang bola for Team Sangay.
Yun na nga, partner. We have a pressure defense kay Lumabi. Hindi nila pinapareceive ng bola si Lumabi to prevent siguro, I guess, to disrupt the offense ng Sangay kasi nagsastart talagang opensa ng Sangay kay Lumabi. Ayan na si Regalario. Short jumper. Misses the shot. Ignacio grabs the rebound.
That's an open shot pero Regalario just couldn't make that one.
Ayan na si Babap against Regalario. Gives the ball to Wawa Ayo. Gives the ball to Himan. With 14 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Wawa versus Lumabi. Ayo. Ayan na si Jonathan Balyon. And a sorry miss on the part of Jonathan Balyon. Sayang noon. Wawa Ayo for 3. In and out. There is Ignacio securing the possession. Pableo
making that one.
And we are now tied at 76 all. Kapit, mga kaibigan.
I am wondering kung ano ang nasa isip nitong si Jonathan Balyon. He hesitated kung anong gagawin niya. If I'm going to dunk this ball or what? Kaya lang, nandoon, nasa chase down itong si Kobe Bryant Pableo for a possible block.
Yes, partner. What a defense, partner. Yun naman ang sinasabi. You are not just there to block the shot. What you have to deflect or talagang i-contain mo lang. That is a good defense pa rin still. And yun na nga, a sorry miss on the part of Jonathan Balyon.
Kung ako, anong gagawin ko? Ay ba, paiiralin ko yung brake fluid ko na ano. And siguro I'm going to do a fake and then papasabitin ko dun si Pableo.
Sayang talaga.
Pero talagang sayang na sayang. But anyway, that made this ball game even more exciting dahil tied po tayo at 76 all at under a minute to go, 52.58. Anything can happen.
Yes, anything can happen with this kind of ball game. This is Ako Bicol Cup Basketball for you. Hatid siyempre ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And now, we are, look at this Jampa crowd partner sa ating Goa Sports Complex.
And they need a big shot right now for Team Sangay.
Ayan na si Lumabi. One-on-one against Ayo. Regalario. Spins. Hands it up to Lumabi. Pilapil. With 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Pilapil using the glass but misses the shot. And here is Babap Santa Maria.
That's a good look for the shot for Ken Pilapil. Pero nag-overshoot lang talaga siya.
And now Babap Santa Maria gives the ball to Himan. Himan attacks. Kicks it out to Babap for 3.
Nope!
No good. Rebound by Wawa Ayo. Babab kicks it out to Hilman. This is the shot. But there is Eugene Malyapre. And the possession will remain to Team Kamaligan with 9 minutes and 38 seconds. 9 seconds and 38 seconds sa ating fourth and final quarter.
So we have a timeout here. A big timeout on the part of Team Kamaligan dahil they need to create a play for this situation.
Yes, partner.
A big shot for Team Kamaligan. Big possession rather.
For sure, this is going to be a wild sequence, partner, kasi Kamaligan has a chance to win this ball game, and on the part of Sangay talaga, they have to play a tremendous defense in order for Kamaligan not to score in this possession.
Nangangamoy, partner. Nangangamoy ng extension.
Sige na, ibigay mo na ang extension na yan. Nandito na rin naman tayo to enjoy. This is Ako Bicol Cup basketball for you.
That's in the ball game.
And kanina paturo si Iris sa kanyang sarili na i-shoutout si Iris at si Q who is watching dito sa harap natin. Magandang gabi sa inyo.
Grabe naman kayo, nandito lang kayo sa loob nagpapashoutout.
kahit ang gulo nyo, pero masaya tayo.
Once again, mga kasurog, we have 9.38 seconds remaining and it's Kamaligan's possession. We have a tied ball game.
Yes, they have to watch out for Babab Santa Maria for sure. This is the heart and soul of Kamaligan. We'll see kung anong drino play ni Coach Brian pagdating. Yan si Ignacio. Gives the ball to Pableo. Pableo attacks. This is the shot. And
2 seconds.
And with 2 seconds remaining, we have a replay. Tingnan natin. We will still decide kung kaninong possession mapupunta. What a good play on the part of Coach Brian Ayo. Gandang play sana yun, partner.
Hindi lang talaga na-shoot. Nagkulang lang ng konti itong si Kobe Bryant Pableo.
What a handoff on the part of Ignacio. Gandang play talaga, partner. Kudos to Coach Brian, but hindi lang na-execute. Pero tingnan natin kung kaninong possession mapupunta ang bola.
With 2 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. It was tied at 76. What an exciting ball game. It's an epic ball game dito po sa loob ng Goa Sports Complex with yours truly, Kapa Morgan and Wadi John Bachiller.
Yan nga, upon review, hindi nagtagumpay ang Moses Challenge na iningi ng Team Sangay. Ang bola mapupunta sa Kamaligan. Partner Kapit, this is 2 seconds na lang sa ating laro. So watch out again for Wawa Ayo. This is a shooter for sure. And tingnan din natin kung anong dreno play. Yan na.
It's a get and shoot situation.
Yes, it's a catch and shoot situation on the part of Kamaligan. Ayan na, Santa Maria, fall away.
And it was blocked! It was a clear block.
Yes, what a good defense on the part of Ken Pilapil over Babab Santa Maria. And we are now heading to overtime, partner.
Ayan na nga, yung nangamoy kanina. This is reality.
Yes, partner, this is Ako Bicol Cup basketball for you.
We are going on overtime, mga kasurog.
Yes, partner.
At the end of the regulation, we have 76 all.
Yes, 76 all. And watch out sa ating overtime for sure. This game will be an exciting one for sure.
Balikan ko lang yung last na tira nitong si Jonathan Balyon na kung naipasok ngayon, hindi siya nag-hesitate in making that big layup or a big dunk to finish. Nako, tapos na ang laro natin. But anyway, sabi ko nga kanina, that made this ball game even more exciting dahil ngayon we are tied and we are getting ready for the extension. Batiin natin yung gwapong-gwapo na si Ginoong Kretz D.
Sino?
Ha?
Si Roel Salvo is watching right now. Si Francia, si William, magandang gabi sa inyo.
Oo.
Huwag na kayo sumiksik dito, napakainit na. And now we are back sa ating laro. And we are deadlocked sa 76. And
ayan, mga kasurog, I hope na nag-enjoy din kayo. Hindi kayo natitensyon sa mga oras na ito. Pure excitement lang ang nararamdaman nyo.
Yes, partner. Medyo struggling sa offense ang Sangay, but those crucial rebounds of Eugene Malyapre talaga over the bigs of Kamaligan. And syempre yung hustle play ni Raymart Aquino during the last part and yung very crucial 3 points talaga that decreased the lead of Sangay.
At ito na, unang possession sa ating OT ay para sa mga taga Kamaligan.
Ayun na nga, Donnie.
And almost losing that one is
Lock by Buela.
Nahirapan doon si Babap Santa Maria. Malamya masyado yung tirang yon. Oh, malakas naman yung pasa para kay Dodoy Ignacio.
Yes, completing the vibe of Kamaligan who is donning the violet jerseys. Si Himan, Santa Maria, Pableo, Ayo, and Ignacio. And the white shirts ang mga taga-Sangay. Si Orolfo, si Buela, si Balyon, Cano, and Buela. Completing the vibe for Sangay.
And this is going to be, masasabi natin, na every possession is very important, very crucial for both teams.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na. Scrambling
Nakuha.
for the loose ball. Nakuha ni Orolfo.
Pero
naubusan ng real estate at nakaapak. And the possession will go to Kamaligan.
yan ang sabi ng mga referee. Mapupunta sa mga naka-violet o naka-purple ang bola. Medyo madulas na din. Pinagpapawisan yung ating sahig because of
nagmo-moist talaga dahil talaga daming tao.
the humidity dito sa loob.
And partner, daming nanonood sa ating maganda dito sa ating venue. Magandang gabi sa inyo mga ma'am and yung mga nagpopogian nating mga basketball fans dito sa Sangay. Magandang gabi din sa inyo.
Sa talagang sa dinami-dami ng mga tao dito, partner, talagang nakikita mo pa yung maganda.
Yun tama
at
talaga.
mga gwapo.
Binigyan tayo ng mata ng ating Panginoon para makita ang magagandang tanawin at magagandang tao dito sa ating lugar.
Tama ka dyan. Correct ka dyan, partner.
So ayan na si Himan crossing the half-court line. Ayan na si Babap, heavily guarded by ayan na si Ignacio. At the low block, Ignacio against Orolfo. Kicks it out to Pableo. Pableo.
Big shot for Kobe Bryant Pableo.
And that, I guess, the bank is open again on a Saturday. And yun na nga, si Buela against Himan. Buela attacks. Buela against Pableo. And he was... And yun na nga, what a possession partner. Buela tried to attack the defense of two violet shirts but hindi siya nagwagi. So ngayon,
I think what Sangay needs to do is give the ball to either Ken Pilapil. Ay wala sa ngayon sa loob si Ken Pilapil, no? Ay nasa loob. Or go to Jonathan Balyon.
Yes, no partner. The problem of Sangay right now is nagkakanya-kanya sila. Like kanina na patapos yung fourth quarter, they are distributing the ball. But credit to Kamaligan for guarding the point guard na si Pilapil. Talagang tinatao nila sa backcourt pa lang, so hindi nakakapag-distribute o nakakapag magandang flow ang opensa ng Team Sangay.
So when it comes to team play, talagang nakikita natin na medyo nakakalamang ang Kamaligan.
Ayan na si Pableo against Balyon. Pableo with a crossover. Spins. What a shot, but there is... Ayan na si Lumabi against Santa Maria. Stops for 3. No good.
What a risky shot on the part of...
and there is Himan.
That's a risky shot made by Fiben Lumabi.
And the score is 80 to 76 with just 3 minutes remaining sa ating laro. Ayan na si Balyon. Kicks it out to Cano. Gives the ball to Pilapil. With a step back 3. No good.
Wala na. Napipilitan ng tumira sa tres ang mga taga Sangay. They need to maintain their composure. They need to play wisely.
Ayan na.
And they need to play as a team.
Ayan na si Lumabi. Gives the ball to Pilapil. And he was hacked. And di pa penalty ang Kamaligan. So this is just an inbound play.
And it's just a 4-point lead naman by Kamaligan.
With 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining sa ating overtime. Lamang Kamaligan ng 4 na puntos.
At nabaliktad na po ang mga pangyayari. Kanina nakakalamang ang mga taga-Sangay, bago tayo mag-overtime. And right now, it's Kamaligan's time.
Ayan na si Balyon. Open for 3.
Malayo ang tirang yon.
This is the shot. Ayan na si Santa Maria.
They have to stop.
Pableo is ahead.
And
he
they
was
cannot
fouled.
stop Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Grabe, partner, si Babap Santa Maria finding his teammates, partner, for that easy 2 points.
What a big play for Team Kamaligan. And I guess, mas malaki na ang tsansa nila
Both teams only one timeout.
na makuha ang upuan sa finals kung hindi magbabago ang mga pangyayari for Team Sangay.
Yes, partner, this is just a 6-point lead. Very manageable. Team Sangay have to be composed and very focused dapat. Ayan na si Pilapil against Himan with a crossover. Pilapil spins. Orolfo with 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. And a
There you go.
turnover.
Again, dito na makikita kung sino ang boys among the men. Or ang men among the boys.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
We have an offensive foul called on mga Kobe Bryant Pableo against Cano. Pusing.
Foul number 25.
And Sangay will have a chance now. They need to score. In any way possible, they need to score in this possession.
The score is 76-82 in favor of Kamaligan pa rin. Cano receives the ball. Hands it up to Pilapil.
Which is the right thing to do.
Gives the ball to Jonathan Balyon sa ilalim using the glass and scoring
Finally!
Yun na nga, partner, this is just a 4-point lead. With 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Ayan na si Himan using the clock and I guess the clock is on their side, so kailangan ubusin ng oras. Ayan na si Himan attacking
And what a good finish!
and scoring for 2. What a courageous drive on the part of Himan. Medyo the body language of Sangay right now is down, but Pilapil attacking, kicks it out. Eugene Malyapre, top of the key 3. This is the shot, but there is again Kobe Bryant Pableo securing the boards.
What a gutsy move mula kay Alexis Himan, making the last 2-pointer for his ball club.
And Himan wants to take over right now. And si Kobe for 3. Misses the shot. Balyon grabs the rebound, gives the ball to Eugene. Ayan na si Eugene. Eugene is ahead. Gives the ball to Pilapil. Pilapil in and out dribble.
And he was fouled.
This Pilapil is a man with a million dribbles and wants to take over in the game right now.
Yeah. Somebody has to take over dito sa kupunan ng Sangay.
And the key for Team Sangay right now is to share the ball and not like that one-on-one plays talaga. And maraming open shots, so they have to distribute and they share the ball in order for them to score easily.
Sabi ko nga kanina, they just have to play wisely.
Well, this is just a 6-point lead, partner. And yun na nga, binawasan ni Pilapil yung lamang. And a 5-point lead is very manageable. And still, anybody's ball game.
They need to utilize every resources na makikita nila, which is their teammates.
Yes, Enas Regalario with the offensive rebound.
Sayang yung
nabitawan ng bola.
Chance na yun ni Regalario to grab that rebound, offensive rebound.
Ayan na si Himan, gives the ball to Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Almost a steal.
With 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Ignacio misses the shot and what a rebound by
Joshua Ayo. Keeping the ball alive for
and I guess
Kamaligan.
It's safe to say talaga that this is a one-ball game on the part of Kamaligan.
40 seconds formation.
And it's just an 8.9 with a 5-point lead for Kamaligan. They've had a chance kanina, partner.
Yes, they had a big chance during the fourth quarter before tayo mag-head into overtime. But still, hats off to Team Sangay for giving their all sa ating ligang ito.
Tama. But then again, sayang. Pero ganun pa man, what an experience for Team Sangay to be a part of the the quarterfinals and the semifinals, which is happening right now.
Yan. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. The score is 81 to 84. Kamaligan wins over Sangay and has the first ticket sa ating finals sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Congratulations, Team Kamaligan, headed by Coach Brian Ayo. So they will be waiting sa magiging result sa susunod nating matchup for tonight's doubleheader dito po sa ating first game ng ating semifinals na tinatawag nating Quadro Magnifico.
Yes, sa ating
it is also a twice to beat situation kung saan dapat matalo ng Goa ang home team ng Naga, which is visiting dito po sa venue natin para sa ating semifinals.
Ang ating unang umusad sa ating Quadro Magnifico ngayon ay ang Team Kamaligan. Partner, during the elimination round, they are unbeaten sa ating quarterfinals. Wala silang talo. Meron pala silang talo during the opening day against Naga, but after that loss talaga tuloy-tuloy na. And now, they're here sa ating finals. Saka una-una ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Finals, partner.
So once again, congratulations sa kupunan ng Kamaligan sa pangunguna po ni Coach Brian Ayo. Congratulations,
yes, partner.
Kamaligan.
While we are waiting for our Kasuroga, best player of the ball game, yun ang partner.
Sino kaya ang magiging kasurog player of the game natin?
Yes.
Marami rin ang nasa isip ko. We have the likes of Alexis Himan, Babap Santa Maria.
Yes, marami talaga tayong candidates for our Kasurog best player of the ball game. And partner, napakaganda at napaka-exciting na laro ang meron tayo sa ating first game. Grabe, partner.
Alright, and we're watching the highlights ng laro. Nakakatapos lang kung saan nanalo nga ang mga taga-Kamaligan.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Pero hats off talaga sa Sangay for battling it out up to the overtime talaga. They give their best, but I guess kinapos lang sila sa huli.
Tama.
And for sure, they will be back sa ating susunod na season sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Leg. Sigurado yan, magpapalakas at
much stronger team, Sangay. At napaka-big factor din talaga itong si Jonathan Balyon para sa kanila. Well, if not for Jonathan Balyon, I guess hindi magiging ganun din ang naging performance ng Team Sangay na almost beating this stronger team, Kamaligan, and forcing a game 2. Pero yun na nga, they still failed. Pero ganun pa man, sabi mo nga, hats off pa rin sa mga taga-Sangay.
And special mention on the part of Team Sangay talaga, si Kenneth Pilapil, who talaga yung scoring load ng Sangay talaga. He single-handedly carry the scoring load of Team Sangay, but he fell short. So talagang, yun na nga, hats off pa rin kay Ken Pilapil for that wonderful performance sa ating laro.
Yeah, what a exceptional game for Ken Pilapil. This could have been the biggest game of his life dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yeah, siyempre pasalamatan natin ating mga sponsors partner, Mercedes Bay, Cagaray Islands, Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Ellis, and Hotel Venecia. Maraming salamat po. And siyempre, this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur is headed by Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na and kasurog pa. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa walang sawang sumusuporta sa aming liga.
And this is being presented to you by IMBC or Infinity Media Broadcasting Company for Ako Bicol Party List.
Yes, yun na nga, partner. Kung may mababating ka, partner, batiin mo na. This is our chance kasi mamaya talagang pukpukan ang ating second ball game dahil ang home crowd, home team na Goa will battling out against the powerhouse Naga City squad, partner.
So yun na nga, Batiin natin ang, again, yung aking anak, si Georgie Alec Madronio, who's watching right now with his friend Jason and the rest of the guys there na nanonood ngayon. Maraming salamat for watching and enjoy lang kayo dyan. Kapit lang kayo dahil meron pa tayong susunod na laban and it's going to be another exciting ball game ahead of us. Ang laban ng Goa at ng Naga.
Yes, partner. Batiin ko na rin ang aking anak pa rin who's still watching right now. Happy viewing sa iyo, Juan Carlos and Franco Miguel. Meron pa tayong second game, manood kayo.
Alright, and we're just waiting for our Kasurog player of the game. Who's gonna be our best player for our first game dito sa ating Quadro Magnifico semifinals? Alamin natin yan dahil maya-maya kasama na yan ni Cassandra Seton. But for now, again, thank you so much for watching. And pakishare pa rin po ng mga links na meron tayo kung saan pwedeng mapanood online ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Ayan yung ating Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, and syempre pa yung Facebook page mismo ni Congressman Saldico, Representative Saldico Facebook page, at syempre yung YouTube natin.
Yes, partner. Syempre yung TikTok na pinapanood ko lagi. And yun na nga, salamat sa pagsuporta. And yung sa nanonood sa ating kanina sa Facebook Live, umabot tayo ng ilang thousands yun, partner. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aming liga. And syempre, patuloy pa namin pagagandahin at bibigyan kayo ng magandang laro sa mga susunod na araw.
And of course, much magandang coverage. Alright, and okay, ipasa na natin itong screen. I-share na natin with Miss Cassandra Seton and our Kasurog player of the game.
What a great and unpredictable start for the semi-final round. Kitang-kita naman na mainit ang naging labanan ng Team Sangay at Team Kamaligan. Kaya naman, right here with me is the Kasurog best player of the game, Alexis Himan of Team Kamaligan with 15 points, 1 assist, 4 rebounds, and 3 steals. Congratulations, Alexis, for being the Kasurog best player of the game and for your team's win in the semifinal round and for making it to the finals. It was indeed a tough game at nagkaroon pa nga tayo ng overtime and you are considered as the player with the most contribution. Kaya naman, Alexis, ano ba ang dapat naming abangan sa iyo for the final round?
Ginawa lang namin yung best namin ngayon. Kinuha ko lang yung kumpiyansa ko ngayong sa laban namin para papunta sa finals. Talagang di biro yung kalaban namin na Naga. Sobrang kondisyon, saka magkakasama na talaga sila. Kailangan namin mag-adjust sa depensa, saka sa opensa. Sabi nga ni Coach, bago ka pumasok, mag-depensa ka muna. Bago ka umopensa, kaya yung ginawa ko. Kumuha muna ako ng mga depensa. Kaya nagawa ko. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga kampi ko. Hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ko makakukuha yung best player ngayon.
Ayan, we also have our commentators in the panel. For some additional question, Coach Jan and DJ Morgan, pasok.
Alexis, congratulations for being the Kasurog best player of the ball game. Alexis, napansin ko during the first quarter talagang pinukpok mo yung depensa and medyo struggling ka sa opensa. Pero yung later part ng laro, medyo nakuha mo na yung kumpiyansa. Nakikita ko talaga na gusto mong manalo. Ano yung naging preparation mo, partner, o motivation mo para sa larong ito?
Yung mga kakampi ko nga na sobrang suporta sa akin na di nila ako dinadown pag sumasablay ako. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Lahat ng mga kakampi ko, tinulungan ako na mag-step up. Yun, sabi ko marami nagtitiwala sa akin. Kaya kung ano man mangyari sa game na nagpapasalamat ako kay God. Masalamat ako sa mga kakampi ko.
Alexis, this is Kapa Morgan. Twice to beat kayo dito sa semis and buti na lang at naipanalo nyo ngayon. And right now, meron na kayong seat para sa finals dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg. Ngayon, meron bang mentality or naiisip mo ba o ng mga kakampi mo na dahil sa advantage na twice to beat, okay lang na matalo kayo sa larong ito?
Sa akin, hindi ko po inisip na matalo. Talagang nilabang ko pa para makapag-practice kami. May time kami para pumasok sa finals, makapag-practice kami mga kakampi ko na pagandaan namin yung Naga para sa championship game.
At yun na nga. So, meron ka pa bang follow-up question, partner?
Wala, partner. Good luck sa finals. Tignan natin
maingay na dito sa likod natin.
Kung sino mga kalaban nyo. Maraming salamat sa iyo, partner.
Okay, so maraming salamat once again, Cassandra Seton and our Kasarog player of the game. Congratulations, Alexis Himan.
Thank you very much, Coach Jan and DJ Morgan. And once again, congratulations for being the Kasarog Best Player of the Game. May gusto ka bang batiin o pasalamatan? Go ahead.
Dami. Biyabati ko pala yung Kamaligan Mayor namin, si Boss Roger, si JBBI family, si Botako, si Idol, Jess, kay Boss Jess, kay Prince Bupalo, saka yung mama papa ko nanonood, yung kuya ko, mga kuya ko na sumusuporta sa akin, saka yung family Dison, salamat sa pagtanggap sa akin, kaya Tito Milan, kay Tito Carla, kila Lola Cora, kila Lian, kay Mika, kay Arlan, saka sa girlfriend ko, mag-ingat ka dyan. Saka yung mga tropa ko dyan, sila Eloy, sila Bombay, sila Kusngas, saka yung kuya ko si Aldred, sana mag-ingat ka dyan. Saka yung Quadro Alas, mga nag-aalaga sa amin sa DECA, maraming salamat po sa Kamaligan fans, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Sana wag kayong magsawang sumuporta sa amin. Yun lang, salamat po.
And once again, thank you very much and congratulations. That's the end of our first game tonight. Watch out for our second and last game, Team Naga versus Team Goa.